Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you happen to be in the world. What is going on? Bongo being first here because we were on a call. Hello, Bongo. God, the room is such a mess at the minute. It's making me very sad. Can we get you to sit up? He's got a slidey short, so he doesn't want to sit. Crash is like, nah, man. I've had a drink. I've had a drink, bro. He can just lay there for a minute. He needs a spot. We're getting decorated, don't worry. We've got TD coming in. We've got Zorbiter. How you doing? Not Grimlock coming in first on YouTube. Make sure you do like the YouTube stream, guys. Help with the algorithm. Dave, good morning to you. Hope you're doing well. Well, we're afternoon now. Pardon me. Did you hear Bongo has a bald spot? It's like, just there, isn't it? I have seen it, yeah. Bless him. He does struggle. So, to fill you all in, what I've done is we now have got the welcome messages working for... We've got everything working for this bad boy. This bad boy now is completely working and absolutely smashing it. So all the alerts are working over on Twitch. So we haven't got anonymous follows on at the minute because I need to test whether or not it works properly. But it should work for bits, subs, pretty much everything. Yo, Tomati! Elia, is that how you say it? Elia T. Yo, are you familiar with Touch Portal? I have an issue. I have not used Touch Portal in probably 3 years. I mean, you're more than welcome to ask, and if I can give any knowledge, I totally will. So feel free to ask, but I can't guarantee I can help. I'm going to turn off the iOS welcome message as well for now. So let me just go and pause that. 1 secondly boo. Sheckity boo, bro. Stream up products. What is it called? iOS notification. We'll just disable that for now. There we go. And we'll just keep the... I'm going to actually remove the minim alerts as well. In fact, I'll just disable all the Twitch ones for that. Hang on, there we go. Disable. Can't I just disable them? Disable all triggers. No, that disables them all. I just want to disable the ones that I've selected. Can I not do that? I don't think so. Enabled. Disable. This is boring. Frankie Magic. Cruz, what's going on? What's your Zoom? Yes, what did you think to the tutorial? I know I'm a little bit behind with posting content to YouTube at the minute, but I've been very busy. So everybody that uses the Stream Up stuff now, you will notice I've updated all of the Ko-fi pages. So it took me absolutely ages last night to go through every single shop item that we've got. Can I go and see the page? And then I can probably show yous. So now when you go to our shop over on Ko-fi, sorry, I'm everywhere at the minute. Change screen. So when you go over to our shop now, everything has been updated to have links to the product page, ready for when I've updated all the Stream Up website and everything like that. Explain about Stream Up Premium, which is the membership plan where rather than just paying whatever it is for each thing, you'll be able to just get access to everything. And then now when you do purchase it, it sends you over to my.streamup.tips, where you then log in with the email that you used, or if you're a Patreon member or fourth wall member of mine, you can log in there, and you'll be able to access all of the different products and download them from there, which is really nice. I'm just going to log in off screen just in case. I don't know what Waldo's put on here yet. Yeah, there you go. So then anything that you've purchased, or if you're a Patreon member, you'll be able to access every single thing just here and download directly through there, which is awesome. So I had to do all that boring stuff last night, and it took me ages, but it's great. Thank you again for liking the stream over on YouTube, guys. Very much appreciated. Jordan, what's going on? I hope everything's good. Yeah, everything is great, thank you. I'm finally getting caught up with a lot of the work now, which is nice. I really want to get all the Stream Up updates out by Christmas, because I really want to go into next year with a clean slate of being able to just make loads of different widgets for you guys so you can just enjoy them in a really sleek, smooth way that is just not going to cause any headaches for anybody. Do you know what I mean? What's this, Cruz? It is easier to understand since to watch from Nutty before, complicated since it's outdated. Yeah, the old version of the Zoom plugin was not great because it was a Python script, whereas this one's a lot easier to use, isn't it? Can you recommend a good chatbot? I used a bot Isimo before they shut it down last month and now I need a replacement. I just use Streamer.Bot for everything. I manage all my own chatbot within Streamer.Bot. Can you remember? Sorry, I'm a tech consultant for magicians, Zoom shows, and help in some aspects. So thank you. Anytime, Frankie. That sounds wicked. Hey, Big Teddy. Oh, look at this bad boy. It is working overtime today. It's insane. Hopefully we get some follows over on Twitch and stuff like that, and little bit cheers and whatnot, and we'll be able to make sure all of the alerts are working properly, which is wicked. Andy, one question, why didn't you make a e-commerce website so you receive 100% of the revenue of the products? It's Ko-fi. They don't take a cut. All we pay is the PayPal fee of each one. So it's a bit easier because I don't have to. I do pay a monthly subscription to them, but it's what have I got? Oh, got a sub coming in. Who's it from? Let's check it out. A returning Prime. So this. Oh, no, it's good. Tomati returning with the Prime. Let's go. Oh, God, it looks beautiful. So, yeah, Ko-fi don't take a cut, which is nice. Thank you for using your Prime, Tomati. I've not looked at the new stuff yet. I've not looked at the new website. Things have been just really flat out for me at the minute. But yeah, please let me know. Is there anything I need to do? Like, I know I probably need to just. I know you were doing everything like behind the scenes, so yeah, just remind me if there's anything I need to do again, because I was just it's just been crazy. Are these interaction effects only applicable on Twitch? Right now, yes. That one's just a sub alert. So when somebody subscribes over on Twitch, it does that. So that was just what I set for the Twitch alert. And obviously, I'm quite new to streaming over on YouTube. So I am making stuff cross-platform. Like, this right now only works for... Oh, no, the welcome message should work for YouTube and Twitch. So the first message that you do, it'll say, oh, hello. So that does work on YouTube and Twitch. I'm going to be working at integrating YouTube alerts into there. This stream, that's what we're going to be doing. We'll shoot you an email. Oh, thank you, Tomati, dude. I appreciate that. Sorry that I'm just like a bit everywhere at the moment. I obviously definitely want to use your tool because I'm all about supporting as many people as possible, right? Like I said, Elijah, it will work for YouTube as well, but I'm not finished integrating it yet. So I mean, just need to stream to Twitch and just multi-stream your feed. What do you mean, Cruz? Oh, I've not reset my... Uh-oh. I forgot. Andy's done a dumb. This effect looks terrible. I'm sorry, everyone. But at least when this happens, I can do stuff like this. I don't know if double Andy come. Yeah, of course. I love it. It's great. Hey, Excel Drone. One for the scrapbook, baby. I like the big chin that comes out here. Are you ready? Oh, no, there it is. There it is. There it is. But how's everyone else doing today? I'm freaking awesome. I'm feeling great. I've done the big boring task of doing a lot of that stream up stuff. I do need to update the stream up plugin today because there've been some new updates. Like Exceldro brought out a new update to DSK the other day. Right, here we go. Let me go. There we go. That should make the effects look right now. I don't know how I keep forgetting how long I've been doing this stuff. Headed to UK this weekend to meet my manager in work for the first time. I'm going to be class. Nice. That sounds wicked. Whereabouts are you going if you don't mind me asking? One good thing I love about winter is the water is always so ice cold coming out. So ice cold coming out of the tap. It's so refreshing. I love. Yo, coming in with a super chat. Thank you, Elijah. Let me check what that chat is, because it doesn't show up on my chat bot right now. I don't know if this is something that they're going to add just here, but it doesn't actually show up, which is a little frustrating. So I just have to go and swap out to YouTube. Sending you some support. Keep up the good work. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate that. Everyone watching on YouTube, please make sure you do press that like. It's free and it helps support me with the algorithm and everything like that. And we are so close to hitting 25k subscribers, which is unreal. Next year, I am really going to be... I want at least 50k next year. I'm going to go absolutely ham on it. I want at least 50k. Like, it's going to happen, right? Hey, City Extra. So there you go, guys. You can see it does work for YouTube as well. Like say in this stream, we will be working on the other stuff. Yo, another super chat coming in here. Yo, you guys on YouTube, there's quite a few of you today, isn't there? Welcome on in. Will you check my question now? Smart. Oh, what question was that? Did I miss a question from you, baby? I'm sorry. Who's unliking the stream, bro? What was saying? Where specifically? God knows, just London, right? I mean, like, the interactions made on Twitch is still visible on YouTube. So, technically make Twitch your main, then multi-stream to other platforms. Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm doing anyway, right? But I'm... all the effects are visible for everything. And my goal is to have it explain what it is. Like, do a bits menu and stuff like that as well. Does this work on Mac? You're talking about this, Dave? If so, no. Just because, I mean, I've got a Mac and I could build it for Mac, but our plugin... In fact, a lot of plugins are now working for Mac, so I could technically... Nah, it's just because it requires Streamer.Bot. So if Streamer.Bot goes over to Mac, then it will work, but right now it's not. 3 Volvo, how we doing? Mac installs would be in the 10s. Exactly right. Can't wait for SB on Mac. Oh yeah, if it ever does go to Mac, I'll definitely have a look at making widgets for stuff. But I've got enough work on at the moment, especially how much I've been putting into this. How smooth are the animations though? It looks so good, doesn't it? It's just like how quick and reactive it is. It's so much better than the old version. Like, it stays on. You set how long you want each alert to stay on for. I think I've got it set for like 10 seconds or something stupid. Even though the 10 seconds sometimes feel like forever. I can always see what it's doing. In fact, I don't actually know what it's doing. I'm actually not sure what it's doing right now. I don't know if the... let me just check. There might be a queue issue somewhere. Right, it says there's 2 things in the queue, so there's a queue issue, and I don't know what that would be. You like the old one? No, man. What are you saying? Some religious lost freaking... now Jesus comes back yesterday, apparently, and he's pissed. God damn it. Why is he pissed, man? Did you break it again? I'm not sure. Because I don't I'll switch over so you can see. But this is what we're testing. I don't know when it went wrong. How can it say there's 2 things in the queue? Because it all runs through... what does it run through? Because that's why it's paused now. Because it's waiting to go back to the previous widget, but it seems to think that there's something in the queue. Because all the thing goes in there, and then the rotate, and then it will remove the event from the queue. And this is what pulls them out. Intriguing. So what has that gone to here? So this says 3. And this will probably go back down to 2. So that's working correctly. Hey, JD. So there you go. It's gone back down to 2 now. And it should, in theory... go back to the previous thing, but it's not. So if I set that to 0 and turn this back on, that would reset everything. So I do have a easy method of resetting it. So if I wanted to create an action that would clear the queue and turn everything back on to how it was, super easy to do. I just enable that, set that back to 0, and then it'll, on the next loop round, it'll flip back. Yeah. There we go. So this should, in theory, work. This is what we're going to have to monitor today when we start getting different things in. Hey, Debbie J, how you doing? Thank you for liking the stream on YouTube as well, guys. Appreciate it. So that's gone to 0, and it's gone back. So I'm not too sure what widget it was that caused the issue. Don't know. Let me get caught back up on chat anyway. But yeah, I will put something like that for clearing queues through Evolver, because I need to put in a lock mode as well. So if somebody gets like hate raided or something stupid like that, they've got an easy way for it to reset and stuff. So I will be adding it. Can't find the link to StreamUp for the life of me. Just type in !StreamUp into chat, and it'll be there. It's not in the YouTube description. I mean, it will be in the YouTube description. StreamUp 100% will be in the YouTube description. I'm like 90% sure, actually. Let me go to YouTube now. There you go. TD's put it in. That's the link to it now. If I haven't got it in the YouTube description, then I'm an idiot, because it should be in every single video. Who's this moron? Shut up, Andy. Oh my god, it actually isn't. I'll have to do a use TubeBuddy to go over all my videos and put link in. Also to remove HomeKit Tinker, because that's dead. Yeah. Might have to adjust some of them links. I'm going to write that on my to-do list. Get that on the to-do list. Where are you? Stream to-do. Redo YouTube descriptions for StreamUp and Dono, etc. There we go. Thanks. It wasn't listed anywhere. Huge oversight. Well, I mean, my Patreon basically links to it anyway. So if you join my Patreon, rather than paying for each individual widget, it automatically does it. So it's all kind of linked. It's just because I redid my descriptions on every single video recently. So yeah. JD, feel free to link it, dude. HomeKit Tinker not coming back. Not for now. Just because I just don't have enough time. I'm so busy, Tomity. Like, ever since Jax came, it's just flat out. I mean, right now, the hardest bit is that just for me to be able to stream, so today and Friday, for instance, I'd normally be able to only stream 2 days a week, and that'd be Saturday and Sunday, because Beth's at work Monday to Friday. But I like to get the extra 2 days of streaming cost me like £500 a month to send Jax to nursery. So it's like I can't really spend that time working on something that's not earning any revenue, if that makes sense. So it's pretty annoying. But if I ever get time in the future to do it, like I'm so interested in doing the HomeKit stuff, but I don't know. Waldo's been interesting me on it, all his HomeKit type stuff that he's working on at the moment. Very interested, so yeah. Don't want to pull another dick move. Nah, yeah, dude. You're always going to pull a dick move. It's just how it is, isn't it? It's just literally in your name. Here we go. JD's done his first OBS tutorial. Let's go leave a like and a comment. Oh, it's on mute. Bosh. There we go. Deleted by mod. I'll leave it on in the background. Anybody that wants another resource for OBS tutorials, then go check out JD's channel. Go do it. Just do it. I'm leaving it on in the background for you. Hey Andy, one question. I know maybe super. I have a timed action for announcements slash ads, but sometimes Streamer.Bot spams the chat with them, even with different times. That'll be when the times line up together, right? So I usually do different things for everything. You know what I mean? How'd you do a poll cross-platform when people multi-stream to a bunch of platforms? Well, I only know YouTube and Twitch, so I can only speak from a YouTube and Twitch perspective. And to do that, I'm actually going to be making a widget for that, because now I multi-stream when I do this stuff. So it's I'm going to be putting that in there. But you can use I use Streamer.Bot for absolutely everything because it's just OP. But yeah, it sounds like your timed actions are basically triggering at the same time. So it's like, even if you have like 300, like all these are going to trigger every 300 seconds. Do you know what I mean? With the Polaroid effect, I'm using it on YouTube, but is there a way to change the text on the Polaroid to whatever people put in the message when they use the command? Yeah, you should be able to. I've not looked at the YouTube trigger for it, but in fact, let me not mess around with my live build. Let's open up the testing build, because we're going to be adding YouTube alerts to the dynamic stream island, because I think I've done everything. I've even added hype chats, but I'm not a partner, so I can't really test that. I mean, feel free, Twitch, make me partner, bro. There you go. Looks beautiful, doesn't it, man? It does look great. I'm really proud of it. I'm going to add the ability for people to put sound effects, but I need to think of the cleanness way to do it. I'm a little bit unsure at the moment. Need to have a think. What we got then? Where's Polaroid? Here it is. So in the main action, I've obviously only done the Twitch redeem, and I'm pretty sure I've got a source redeem here. Username, user input, message. So it already should work. In theory, that should work. Hang on, actually, what? Oh, no, because it'll be a YouTube event and not a chat event. Won't it? It's set up for like a super chat. So if you did a super chat with it, that would trigger in theory. So if I just do a YouTube, super chat, hello, chat, super chat, any value, do a test, see what that comes out with. It's not, oh, it's disabled, Andy. GG's. Nope, I knew that was going to happen. I need to run the settings first. Oh, God. I hate that I've had to make everything idiot-proof. I really hate it. Like, for testing purposes, it sucks ass. Okay, yeah, it's Gucci. Shut up, Vogue away. I know. Right, if I test the super chat now. There you go. So it is set up, but it's not set up for a message. If that makes sense, City. Because to do a message, you would have to do a little bit more coding. You'd have to edit it in C#. And when I used to build things, let me just align that there. There we go. Flash, what's going on? Anyway, check in Streamer.Bot if a YouTube chat message is coming from a YouTube member. The green name. Like I say, I am pretty new to YouTube. But what variables do you get? We'll be able to see probably here. That's Twitch first words. One of these would be YouTube, I'm pretty sure. Come on. That's Twitch as well. That's Twitch as well. Oh my god. I don't know what, because I'm pretty sure there is a member thing. Let's do it, just slap a test trigger in here. Let me do a, what we're doing, just a YouTube chat message, yeah? What you got? No, you've only got a sub. You do not miss C#. I really like C#. I think it's quite easy, really. Now that I understand it a bit, it's pretty good. Have we got, can somebody just send a message in YouTube for me? Somebody just type a message. Hey, Yayo, how you doing? Tido is teaching me how to set up Streamer.Bot. Yo, nice. Love that, Yayo. I need to come and stop by one of your streams, man. Because you need to go and beat my Sonic time. My YouTube chat messages I've just sent on YouTube are not being shown on Streamer.Bot chat box. Like it's blocked. Really? That's strange. I mean, that's a Streamer.Bot issue and not a me problem, like, but... Oh, no, I can see that. Maybe it's only showing top chat. In fact, no. I'm not seeing any chat from you at all. Flash. I'm only seeing test. Even on YouTube itself. I'm literally got it open here and it is only saying test. But we did get a test message coming, so why is that not technically triggered? Because, yeah, it's because we're already linked. So, so testing these is going to be right ball ache, isn't it? That's fine. That's fine. Let's just... Yo, what was that noise? What was that noise? Yo, City Extra coming in with a £10 super chat. Thank you so much, dude. Appreciate all the work you put into this. Thank you so much. I love kind words. Kind words keep me inspired to do stuff. And thank you so much for the £10. That is massively appreciated. I'm just going to do a little testing here. We'll just see what it is from a natural... we ain't got anything here for like pulling stuff, is it? So let me do a chat message. There you go. If somebody can just type in YouTube. There you go. I can see that now. Okay, now it worked. There we go. That should have triggered. Right, what we got? User preview active, moderator, subscribed. No, there's nothing for member here. Unless... The member of a member that is a YouTube member. This is so true. Because it might make me want to do it, Yayo. That's why I want you to beat my sign. Is anybody a YouTube member that is in chat now? Because then we can just experiment a little bit. I don't know if anybody is. That isn't me baiting people to go do that. So there's nothing for pulling, is there? I don't think there is anything there. Streamer.Bot got filtered out by your bot. I don't think I have a bot on anything. Thought it's URL. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I don't have like... Or how do you control your bot? Because I don't care about people putting links. Do you know what I mean? Right. We might have to come back to it then. I'm not too sure. Whoa! You guys are crazy. What are you doing? 2 members on YouTube. Why, you idiot, man. You're all idiots. I wanted to test some alerts. But, oh, God. It's all going wrong. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I don't know what information we've got here, so we might have to do this manually or something. So we've got all this. Thank you, everybody, for being wicked. And then somebody started just chatting to me on YouTube. I said, hold my beer. I need to look for Tommy message. Hello, this is member. There you go. Is subscribed potentially could be member. Right? Who isn't on YouTube? Here you go. Subscribed false. Oh, yeah, that'll be because that's the bot, right? What we got? Are you not subscribed? It could be subscribed. Is subscribed could be the membership. And I've realised why the Dynamic Stream Island's crashing. No, I haven't. Yeah, I have. Yeah, I have. I know exactly what the problem is. You're not a member on here. Oh, perfect. That's perfect, Debbie. Then I can check. But you are subscribed, aren't you? So there you go. Is subscribed. Is. Because it was City Extra and Tomati came in, right, for testing purposes. So let me look for City Extra. There, where are you? That was the Tomati came in and smashed the place up. That was City Extra's message. There you go. Subscribed is there. So that is the way to do it. That variable is just misleading because obviously it's member and not subscribed. So we've got, you can see there again, that's Tomati, that's true. But then Debbie J 100% is subscribed to me on YouTube. Guaranteed Debbie J is subscribed. But not a member. There you go. There's another one. So you're not a member. Boom. Is subscribed. False. So is subscribed for YouTube is member. There you go. Thank you for testing that, everybody. Thank you for becoming members and whatnot. So now you can do TTS for members only. Exactly. You just need to use the is subscribed variable. So thank you for that, everybody. And I need to do some disabling here. So the reason why it's crashing is because I have all of the alerts on here. So when we get a donation or we got a super chat or something like that that I've not actually coded in, it actually causes it to queue the action up in the Dynamic Stream Island, but it doesn't know what to do with that action, so it crashes. So that should be fixed now. I'll just have to go and reset the variable. I am doing this in the wrong Streamer.Bot! Oh, God! I just disabled all them in the wrong Streamer.Bot, man. Things I do for you. Thank you so much for that super chat. I'll get to it in 1 second, baby. Yeah, I don't know why you can't just do that. Look, you can only enable all. I wish you could just... Unless I'm just being blind there, which is definitely a me thing. Or is it because they're run anytime actions? No, just can't do it. Right, there we go. Get rid of that. 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 Reset the queue variable. Does it fix itself? No, it hasn't. Yeah, we've got 4 in the queue. Reset it back to 0. Bosh. So this wouldn't actually happen. It's just because it was triggering for every YouTube event as well, which doesn't exist. Oh, it was a super sticker. Thank you, Flash. Am I pronouncing that right, by the way, darling? Of course I want all the correct variables too. Need things for YouTube and Twitch. Exactly. Well, there you go. You got to run. No worries, Tomati. Much love. Thank you for becoming a member. Thank you for subbing with Prime as well. You're awesome, and I look forward to hearing your email. I will not bloody blank you this time. I'm a bad boy. Dynamic Stream Island. Let's go. Getting caught up with the chat as well. Jo, how you doing? YouTube hides URLs. Thank you for that. That's dumb, though, isn't it? What happens if somebody needs to send you a link? Do you know what I mean? It's pretty dumb. Did I miss anything here? What's the verify YouTube subs? There isn't one for that because YouTube subs aren't public. So that's why you can't really do a subscribe event because people have to make their account public, which by default it is not public. So that's why doing subscriber events and stuff is just a bit. That's just how it is. You said to last time we'll give you run show vars. Yeah, absolutely. The last tab will give you a log. No, to see the vars, you can just do that. So any global variables, you can open the variable window, and then if you are wanting to look at the arguments, which is different from variables, you can go to action queues, action history, and then double click on any of these, and it'll tell you everything that has run in that, which is pretty sleek. Right, let me close down YouTube for a second. There we go. And let's move on to doing YouTube events, which is annoying because I should have really done this the other way around. So when you guys joined as a member, we could have tested a live thing to make sure it just works, which is nice. So I have been adding a bunch of settings, as we know, to the dynamic stream island. Been adding a lot of different kind of functionality. So we've got light and dark mode. It doesn't really do anything. This is just for an animation purpose at the moment. I will be putting it in later. We've got like the welcome thing, what you want the message to be, the current time, current date, also formatting is completely up to you. We've also got I'm going to separate these into different things, so you'll be able to choose, right, what settings do you want to do. You'll choose Twitch, YouTube settings, so it just makes this a bit easier to read. But right now we've got the cheer settings, so you can do the bits message, choose what you want. So I'm going to change to Kappa, because why not? We've got hype chats, which are, evidently I can't test live, so I'm just going to guess they work. New follower, we've got raid stuff, we've got gift bombs, subs, gift subs, resubs, all that jazz is all in there where you can set the messages, and that's it. So now we're going to move on to doing YouTube. But before I do that, I think I might do a second settings menu, similar to how I've done this, that like basically flows into different settings. But, in fact, yeah, I'm going to get it to just come up automatically. Anyway. Is the setting GUIA Lua script? Nope, it's just C#. It's just C# zombie. Waldo made it. He's done an incredible job of it because he's just an unreal guy. He's done all the stuff that I'm too dumb to do. Right, I'm going to paste this sub action in here, and I'm going to say, call this select. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, yeah, I did. Select Twitch settings. So this is just going to separate stuff out, so it just is a bit cleaner, is all. So I'm going to remove all these general settings here. This welcome basic, current time settings, current date settings, and then we're just going to go there. So we've got the OBS connection, which we don't need either because that gets set prior, which is fine. Delete that. I've got the alerts here. We'll do Twitch alert settings. Very nice, thank you. How to specific check for that is subscribe variable when a chat is being sent. So that's an argument. So you just utilize that argument. You know, like you would do with anything in Streamer.Bot. That is subscribed is just a generic argument that you can pull from. So depending on what you want to do with that. So Twitch chair, we got this. That's cool. I don't know whether to add the spacer or not. We'll have a look at what the settings looks like anyway. So we're just basically cleaning this up a little bit right now to make it just look a little bit better. Select general settings. That's cool. And then for this one, we'll remove all of this section. It just means that it doesn't get like overloaded in the settings menu. Is all. So if I remove all that, and then we'll work out what it looks like. So what will happen now, the menu will come up, and obviously there's not tons and tons of stuff there. I think that looks presentable, right? Doesn't look too overwhelming. Everyone happy with that? Doesn't look too bad, does it? I think that should be fine. And then when you press save and move to the next one, it'll load up a second window, which will be Twitch alert settings, and it'll do the same. I don't like this here, but can't really think of a better way to do that right now, because this would need to be wider. There's a double line there, I don't know why, so we'll remove that. Other than that, I think that looks pretty good. And then it'll save it. Right, let's remove that last line, which is here. And I think that's all I needed to do there. Apart, I'm going to do this Twitch alert settings. And we're just going to basically duplicate this and do the same for, you guessed it, YouTube. And then we're going to go work and add our YouTube alerts. So if you guys are wondering how to do YouTube alerts and stuff with Streamer.Bot, this is perfect for you. Even though all I'm going to be doing is passing the variables through, and then because I've already technically got the animation in place, as you can see at the top of the screen right now, I already have all the animations. I have infinite data to be able to pass to this dynamic stream island now, so it auto sizes to anything, which is freaking amazing. So you don't need to worry about that. But if you're wondering how to create an alert and like pass the variables using C#, because I do everything in C# when I'm making products, because I think it's a little bit more stable, because people don't usually like going into code and go, oh yeah, I'm just going to change this. If they don't know what they're doing, they're kind of like, whoa, I'm not touching that. So it means that there's going to be less user error, right? Because people aren't going to touch it. So we're going to do YouTube alert settings just here. And this is basically just for me to allow people to put whatever information they want in and make it clean. So I'm just going to remove a lot of this stuff that I don't need, which is pretty much most of it. I'm going to leave that there, though. I don't know what I'd use for the drop down, actually. Thinking. Right, I should have VS Code all the variables that I've got printed out for YouTube in here. So we've got handle YouTube event. Here we go. So I've got all the variables that I've already gone through and picked everything out for, which is nice. So we will kind of do this. We'll do new subscriber first, because there's no variables. It's just going to be username, isn't it? So we'll do subscriber settings, and I'll do, I'm guessing, oh, I've already got these all here as well. So as you can see, I've got the name for each action as well. So that just saves me so much time. Remember, if you guys have got questions, even though we're doing something specific, if you've got questions about anything, you are more than welcome to ask, and I'll try my best to help you. Even if we get sidetracked, it's fine. I don't mind it at all. There's no variables, so I'm going to remove that. The message display for subscribers. New subscriber. I'll just do that for now. I don't think I'm ever going to need a drop down. Am I going to need a drop down? I'm just going to have a little look. I don't think I ever need a drop down. So yeah, I'm going to get rid of that, because I always get confused at what it does. There we go. Subscriber settings. We'll move to the next one. So I'm just pasting all these in right now. Most people don't ever need to know what any of this means. Membership received. Will I ever do that? I don't think my question should be answered on stream. Is it? Is it sexual, Bongo? Because I know what you like. New sponsor is new member. Don't know why. Why the hell? New member settings. We'll put that display for new members. I member. New member. No, it'll be level name is the variable that one. New level name member. And here I need to add a little. Hey, Rad Trace, how you doing? What's going on, baby? \n, and we'll put variables. We'll do another \n, and we'll type in level name equals member tier. Next. So I'm just setting all these beforehand just to make my life a little bit easier. This one is the new recurring member. Would that be logical? Is that a logical thing to call it? Recurring member? Renewed. I'll put renew. And what variables do I have for this? Months and level name. Level name \n months equals total months of membership. So what kind of insanity are you up to now? I am implementing YouTube alerts into the dynamic stream island right now. Renewed level member. That'll be fine. That should compile fine. Yep. Is that it? I'm gonna remove that because I've not used it, just so I remember. And then now I think we move on to gifted memberships. Gifted membership. So we're going to stick this in here. YouTube membership gift. Display for renewing members. For gifted memberships. And what is it? Count and tier. That's really stupid that some are tier and some are level. So tier, and we've got the count. How many memberships gifted? We'll put count, tier, memberships gifted, and that should be fine. And then we move to it's just super chat and super sticker left, I think, which is fine. Sorry about this bit, everybody. It is quite boring, this section, just because, well, these bits are usually quite ugly. Super chat. Oh my god. Chat. I can't really see my keyboard today. Oh, it's because I've put the mic arm in the wrong place. Super chat. It is just YouTube super chat, but I want to make sure I do type it in right. Message display for super chat. Yo, what was that? Yo, another super chat from Flash. Thank you. We should be testing this out soon, man. Can you show how to set up trigger for is subscribed? Yeah. Can I just finish this bit first, dude? And then I'll be with you. Because, I mean, this is kind of what we're doing now anyway. Because is subscribed should be a consistent variable across every single trigger for YouTube. So yeah, we will look into that in just a sec for super chats. And the variables I have are, where is VS? We've got amount, currency code, and tier. I don't think we'd use tier though, right? So I'm just going to put amount and currency code. Amount. Super chat amount. And we also have currency code, which is here. Let's see. And I'll put, because what I'm going to do is, and it just makes my life easier doing, even though I'm actually not going to put currency code, I'm going to convert it to symbol, probably later on down the line. But it makes it easier using the same variables as, what's it called? As what Streamer.Bot already uses. Currency code amount, super chat. We'll just put that. That's fine. And then now we do the same for super sticker, and I think they're the same variables. I think currency code, blah 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 blah. Yeah, but that extra stickery stuff, stickery. Super sticker. That's the same word, Andy. Sticker, YouTube super sticker for super stickers, super sticker, amount, currency code, bosh. Done. Right, if I run that and just load them settings, is there a way on Streamer.Bot that I have on my stream, if somebody put exclamation mark on a word, I have something pop up on my stream? That's under commands, which is just there. Go to commands. And then you can set that to do anything you want. Yep, they're the Twitch ones. That's fine. New subscriber. Yeah, that looks good. Renewed. Membership. Gifted memberships. Super chat. Super sticker. Bish bash bosh. That is loaded. Now we're prepared to do the actual alerts now, which is good. We're in a good position. So let me show you how to do that, Flash. I don't know how to pronounce your name. I am so sorry. Absolutely butchering your name. Is it Flash? Fleesh? I don't know. I don't know. So pretty much any YouTube trigger. So if I say triggered a YouTube super sticker, for instance, or a super chat that is disabled, GG Andy. I'm going to enable all the YouTube ones right now, actually, because we're going to be testing them very soon. So any of these get triggered. So this super chat, for instance, if I go here, you'll be able to see is subscribed is always there. Flash, there we go. So is subscribed is literally always there. So we can utilize that in anything. So once we've got that, if you want it to be on, do you want it to just be a certain command? So let me make this more specific for you, okay? So I'll just create a test thing here, and what is this big thing? Affirm. Oh yeah, we could delete that. Delete. So tell me, are you wanting to do a chat command, and then if they are a member, do that? Mr. K, is it broken? Is what broken? Is what broken, baby? Yo, we got a new follower. Heyo, refresher. Thank you. My followers normally are anonymous, but we're testing out the new widget today to make sure it's working. So sorry for anybody that was expecting it to be anonymous, and it's not. I need to reset this queue on here now, because that is probably never going to reset, which is fine. Who are you asking? Who am I asking what? Want every chat message from YouTube member to execute a sub-action TTS. I just need the trigger. So you want every chat message. So then they're not doing a command or anything like that, yeah? Learned a lot from my YouTube videos. Well, thank you very much. I'm glad I'm able to help you. If you've got any questions or anything, please feel free to ask and I will help you out. So what you can do is go to triggers then for this one. Go triggers, YouTube, chat, message. And this will pull every single message, okay? And then under sub actions, rather than doing anything technical, you can just go to core and go to logic, if else. And then we can check the argument here. So if, and I've just thought, does this only go, do we have to do args to globals? Because that's a variable. Can you, yeah, I'm guessing you could just do it there. So we'll do is subscribed. Equals false, then you want to whatever break, so it doesn't do anything. If it's true, then continue, or run the TTS command. So put your TTS command underneath here, and let me just go and put in like a Twitch message because I can't connect to YouTube right now actually, which is really annoying. But I can do this, so I'll do works. It's you. Hey, Captain, what's going on? So if I test that now, that shouldn't send a message to... Okay, no, it sent it to Twitch. I've put Twitch message, you absolute moron. No, that's fine. But I've spelled subscribed wrong because I'm a moron. There we go. So nothing's popping up. So when I'm running this now, this message, this will be any... Stuff. Or is it just pulling a random thing? Let's check. Oh, there you go. Subscribed is true now. But if I check another one, it's false. There you go. And that's all you need to do. That's pretty much it. It's because it pulled your name, Steve. I didn't know you were a... unless... Is it just pulling it randomly? So every time I test this, it only sometimes works. And the reason why it's only sometimes working, look, this test thing... is this person here is subscribed, false. This person here is subscribed, true. So it works when this is true. Yeah? So that's it, Flash. You just need to do that. Logic, if else is subscribed equals false, then break, else, continue. And put that at the top of your sub actions. Boom, done. Nice and simple. How are you doing, Captain? You're well? How's the family? Yeah, we're all good. We're always good. Great, thanks. No worries, Flash. It's all good. It's all good. Let's go and... Is that the same var for anonymous follow to trigger when they chat? No. I mean, like I say, I'm still need to do a video for it, and I kind of built it on stream recently, but... to do the anonymous follow, that's not the correct place. Anonymous follow, there's 4 different things that happen. And then the animation you don't need to worry about. It gets the user, and then I've created a thing called public follow. So yeah, I have to make the variables. And then you've got if the user's following, if they've already followed, blah, 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 blah. There's a lot of steps to it. It's not just a simple explanation. Right, let's move on and get these animations done. I'm going to re-disable all of these. Group, disable all. So I like all these to be nice and clear. Don't know why these are all here. I can just delete. Can you just do mass delete, please? Okay, if I'm going to just click them one by one, that's fine. These don't need any triggers because these all get run manually from a different sub-action. So let me just remove them so I don't accidentally do it, because that would totally be me. What the video link, I'll scrub through and find. I have no idea. I built it a little while back. I've been doing this stuff for like 3 weeks now, so I can't pinpoint when it was at all. I'm sorry. It is on my to-do list of videos to do, but my to-do list is huge at the minute. My to-do list is huge. I mean, if you break it down and think about it logically, you'll be able to work it out. Like, what do you want to happen? Break it down into small steps. So this alert handler is what we're going to be editing. I'm definitely in the dev one. Yes, I am. Yo, Crix, thank you for the 10 biddies. See, the animation's not playing again. This is an issue that I seem to have, and I don't know what it is. That browser source just does not want to play sometimes. Let me go and refresh it, see if that does anything. I don't know why this sometimes happens. I open it and it's fine. I might try and get it to do a manual refresh or something. I don't know. That's one thing that I know I could do. Send a manual refresh to the browser source and that might fix it. But other than that, God knows. God knows. Mr. Patch is on that free stream streak, man. One thing that I don't like about the Streamer.Bot chat, oh my God, Andi words, is that I do miss some messages, like bits and stuff, because they don't come through on there. It's full of all the women from work. Wow. Wow. Do you mean his right hand? Right, handle Twitch event. Handle YouTube event. Here we go. This is where the fun happens. So output username. Is that always going to be the same? Yeah, because I don't think you do anonymous, do you? There's no anonymous. So that's always going to be username. So that's fine. And then I'm just going to copy this, actually. What's a really simple one that I've done? We'll do this. We'll copy this. Because that is just going to make it a bit easier than having to write everything out. So we'll minimize that down. Oh, no, it's that whole thing. And let's go. So we've got gift membership received. I'm not actually using that trigger. So that's going to get binned off. Membership gift. All I need to do is do this. Because, again, I've set a lot of... Oh, shit. How does getting YouTube profile picture work? We'll run one and then work out from there, because I know it's a bit different to doing Twitch. I've just poked myself really hard in the eye and now I can't see. What a moron. Do only Twitch messages show with a coloured name in the Streamer.Bot chat box? Yes, that's a Twitch only feature. Not like SB chat because of that. Yeah, it's the only thing that annoys me. But normally I have an audible alert, but I haven't added audio to the Dynamic Stream Island yet. So if I do miss people's cheers and stuff, please let me know. Because I have got like... the other alerts are on for YouTube because I've not set that yet. You know what I'm saying. Right, let's go and do some edits. So in here, we only need 2 of these. So I'm going to remove... tier to lower. Oh, yeah, I know what I'm doing. Don't need to do that, though. I'm going to go count and tier. And this basically... I meant to do that. This sets... basically replaces them variables that we set earlier. And fires it in there. This is where we need to be a little bit different. How did I handle this previously? Well, we don't need to set output username because we set that there. So we'll get profile picture there. Round the corner is always going to be true, I think. I do think it is. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm leaving that setting in there because I might change the animations and stuff later on. It compiles, so that's a good sign. But the get profile picture is probably different. Yes, because we're getting Twitch there. So the profile picture, I don't remember the variable at all. So I'm just going to run a test here for a YouTube membership gift, whatever, test. Why is it not there? Well, thanks for liking the stream on YouTube, guys. Appreciate it. Why is that not available for everything? Thanks again for liking the stream on YouTube. It was you. Oh, well, thank you, Yayo. Very kind. Very, very kind. That's annoying. I'm just going to stick that in and just see what happens. It's probably going to crash, but YOLO, bro. Handle Twitch event. This get profile picture, but it's not going to be that. It's going to be this. Mate, this music. Let's go. I'm going to have to think of something because that's not going to fire. If I do membership gift now, that's just going to crash because that doesn't exist. Where are you? This will animate off, but then it'll freeze. There you go. Because it doesn't exist. And that'll also not reset back to 0. Okay, it has reset back to 0. I don't know how that did that, but okay. Thanks, Mongo. I'm actually a little bit confused what has happened there. Let's go just check this. So the source was correct. Cheers, John. Big boy John. Event source, look, event source, YouTube. So that is correct. So that should be triggering. Source is here. YouTube membership gift. So why did this? Unless it did just crash there, but the animation carried on playing. So then that kind of makes sense. Let me just remove that. That's one way that we can find out if it works. Because profile pic is just going to equal blank anyway. So my next question is there a way to pull a profile picture from YouTube? Because it's not available in that. Fettuccine, how are we doing, baby? Yeah, it has been a hot minute. How you doing? Uh-oh. Something's not happy now. This will be in verbose mode, which is not good. Oh, guys, you've turned the lights out on me. You've turned the lights out. Good night, everybody. Set that to debug. To debug, man. See, that's crashed this time. What's this kicked off at? A value can't be null. What the heck? What value's null, man? Is it alerts handler? Alerts action, yeah. So that is the handler. Thank you for liking the stream on YouTube again. Yeah, everything's really good, Fettuccine. My baby's good. Everything's Gucci. So, yeah, everything's great. Hope everything's amazing. Always busy, which is nice because it just keeps you out of trouble, doesn't it? So what doesn't it like? Count and tier should be in there. So what? It's probably because profile picture's null, right? Yeah, profile picture's null. Output browser. So I'm just gonna do. Thank you again for liking the stream on YouTube, everybody. A wild Mew, let's go. TD, are you here? Boo! Someone don't like the stream. That's rubbish. Output browser equals testicles. Testicles. There we go. And we'll go and test this member again. In fact, let me reset this back to 0. In fact, we don't even have to do that. We just delete the variable rather than double clicking into it. Test, go. Uh-oh. So that's not the problem then. What the hell is null in there, man? What would be firing off as null? We're going to have to do... event source is there. Unless it's template message, but... should have set that. Let's do basic stuff. We'll just log info and just see if it gets to this point to see if it actually is getting triggered. Where are you? Alerts, trigger, gift. Oh, I must have just picked the wrong thing. Invalid URL, testicles. But that's worked. Anyway, so 42 test level memberships. Hey, yo. Hey, Pojo. TD, do you know how to pull a person's profile image from YouTube, since apparently they're not available in membership gifts? They're only available in chat messages. Not cool. Is it possible to fix the link in the URL to owned to have the deal code? I think adding a slash before the question mark should fix it. The link in the URL to owned. I did not know that it wasn't working. But thank you. I thought it still worked. It does work. Am I being stupid? Hey, Jocknicks. Is it not working now? Yeah, this song's a banger. Absolute banger. Yeah, the links seem to work okay. Or is it on the YouTube one that's not working? Because that makes sense. Janky. Well, maybe I need to look into that later then. Let me go and just edit this link. I'm guessing, does that mean it's not showing up on YouTube in chat properly? Oh, yeah. So it's just the chat message that's not coming up, isn't it? Yeah, that's cool. I get what that's saying. I get what you're saying now, baby. Yeah. I've just caught you now. But no, thank you. I'll do that right this second. This one. Chat member basic. Before the question mark, wasn't it? There we go. That's weird that it didn't. There you go. Done. Thanks for letting me know. How's the progress so far? It looks amazing. We're just adding YouTube compatibility now, which is fun, which I love. It looks like owned, but without the deal parameter. Yeah. It's all done. I've added it now. Thank you for reminding me. Just want to say, has it been? I really need to get sleep. It's 4:50. What are you, crazy? Go to sleep. Hope everything keeps well for you. I'll stop in if I'm awake. No worries. Go get some rest. It's been great to see you. It's been a very hot minute, hasn't it? It's been a hot minute. Right, so that does work in the alert handler, which is good. Let's go and apply that same logic to everything else then. But the profile picture we need to add in, don't we? So I'm just going to copy this here, because we're still going to be doing the same thing. Let's get zoomed in. So profile picture is, we'll test the variables and see which ones do. God damn it! And Andy goes cocoa nuts over this cocoa nut. Hey, Wazzy. Kool-Aid! What's Dynamic Stream Island Alert? It's what you're seeing on Streamer right at the top. We're just adding YouTube alerts to it now, which is great. How's things, Wazzy? Hope you're doing well. It's good to see you. That was not the button I was looking for. Level name needs to go in here. Paste. Message I'm not using, so don't use that for this. And we'll do months. And that should be technically it. In theory, potentially, maybe. No, I don't know. Do I look like I know what I'm doing? Because I have no idea. I don't use upgrade. Did not mean to copy them bits over as well. Moron. Level name. Stick that on the end. New subscribers going to be exactly the same. But oops. Stick this in here. Remove these two. Remove micro amount. Remove message. I will put in the currency converter later on down the line. But we're just making this nice and easy right now. I'll get caught up with chat in 1 second. Just want to finish this last bit so we can hurry up and go testing and get all the bits and bobs we need. Tier, Bosch, and Bosch. Are we still compiling? Oh, 338. That is here. 338. Bosch. And here, same again, micro amount, that. We do not want any of that. Is it that one? Yeah. Fantastic. I remembered which one it was. It's not like me. Get one of these again. I don't know why I didn't copy the last one, because I'm just doing exactly the same thing. But again, I'm just a bit of a moron. Right. We should have something that kind of works right now. Going same old thing. Not much. I mean, how you doing? How's the baby going? Yeah, it's crazy. He is 10 months old in 2 days, which is just wild. Give me tips how you do resource management so well in OBS. It's just think about stuff logically. So if you can utilize this, for instance, and this is a great widget, so you can see how it animates and changes shape, size, and everything like that. That whole thing is just 1, 2, 3. Thank you for liking the stream on YouTube. Is literally 3 filters. All them animations that you're seeing is just 3 filters. If you can send information to OBS, boom, it's good. Also, make sure it's not browser sources that's causing you problems. So go into your what's it called? Activity monitor, task manager, whatever you want to call it. Go to OBS, and you'll be able to see every single one of these is a browser source or dock inside of OBS. So yeah. Did you pay money for using my name? No comment. Innocent. Yes, it was inspired by the iPhone notch. I did actually make this about a year ago, but I'm completely remaking it because I really missed it, and it's now a lot better. Like, it does a lot of cool stuff. So let me test what happens when we do this. So we've got Super Chat. So we've got USD, Super Chat, and yeah, I know this image is wrong because we're not actually setting the image, but all the other stuff should be right. Do we get a image profile picture? We don't. Look, there's nothing here to say the user's profile image. User is user profile URL blah 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 blah. Super sticker. Let's test that if it triggers. Super sticker. Bosh. Let me see what if we do have a variable for that. No, we do not. I'm wondering how I'm handling it on the other stuff now. You know. Test sponsor. There we go. New member. User is subscribed. We're getting everything bar the thing that I actually want. But this is all working so far, which is good. Member milestone. So that's somebody becoming a renewed member, which is good. We got anything in here? No. Level name. Blah, 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 blah. Nothing that I actually need. We got 2 more to go. Membership gift. So 42 test memberships gifted. Yep. Bed in, and then we'll test sub, which just never triggers anyway, does it? It just never triggers. Let's face it. User ID. So we have got user ID, so I'm sure we can probably find a way to pull the profile picture. I'm just very intrigued how I did it for... I'm pretty sure I did it for this. So how the hell did I do it in here? It's always the browser source. Yeah, it is. 100%. We wanted to do this similar dynamic feel for a 4-up camera display for RPG streams. Ooh, that sounds cool. I love that. What was the question? Because when someone follows me, I have an alert on repeat like 25 times. It stops only when I stop OBS. And I think you solved the problem. Showing the multiple OBS tasks. Ah, there you go. Funny thing about my setup is, because limited so much, at the moment, I only filter I use is just blur. Oh, damn. Make sure you are being efficient with the blur, though, as well. Hey, Solar Hawk, how you doing? Make sure you are being efficient and using the correct thing. Right. I have got to be doing YouTube shenanigans here, because I'm pretty sure I tested this stuff. Image, there we go. So, did this used to be in here? Because it's not there anymore. Which in theory means my Xbox achievement alerts are broken for YouTube, because this won't go past this because it doesn't exist. I wonder if I can pull then. What's your hacky way? Dude, what is your hacky way, TD? What do we get? What variables do we get? So we have got user ID. Can we use that? Because they're unique, right? Hacky way is when they chat, save it as a user var. Oof, that's a bit dirty, isn't it? This is just Streamer.Bot, also gamer, and welcome him. Right, I'm just going to pop to the toilet, guys. I'll be right back. If anybody can think of a way... I wonder why Nate's got it for messages, but not. Make your own API call. See, I have got an API. I could do it for myself, but I don't want to set up something like that for everyone. Do you know what I mean? Hey yo, sorry about that. Little boy's room, innit? It's because of browser sources. I don't know how to limit it. Use pixel charts. I've seen all browser sources. See, browser sources are just a nightmare. If you can condense them into one, like that's the best thing to do. But I know that they are working on tools like a resource monitor for OBS, so you can see what's going to be using all the data. I know that is something that they are working on. I wish I had set up squad streaming at home. What do you mean by that, El? Can't you just use something like Video Ninja? Did you be able, or is it just forbidden on for YouTube? Yeah, it's the music's just on Twitch. Because I just separate the music off. So I don't think there's a way without doing. That's a big bottle. I'm a big guy. What can I say? Yeah, I know it is something that they're working on, but I mean they're working on a plugin manager, aren't they? And they've been doing that for 4 years. You know what's annoying when using an API? Let me guess, when it goes down. And then everyone just screams at you. Let's have a look. Is there any way to do it without an API, man? How has somebody not done it? Oh, you're using vertical plugin for multi-streaming? No. I am not. We found another one to do the same. Yeah, that's true. I don't know what to do. Like, what do I do, man? Like, I've... I actually really hate the YouTube API website. Like, I don't understand where all the pages are. APIs Explorer, is it there? I don't know. I hate it. I really do. Like, all the info is there, but it's just like, it just seems like such a backwards website. I just can't find what I want, man. Thanks for liking the stream on YouTube. Like how? Like there's. Oh, is it this? Dashboard. Finally, it's like it's so weird to find. Because I'm using it at the moment, my API, to pull how many subscribers I've got. Which is a little annoying that it doesn't give me the specific number. It rounds it, which is a bit crap, but that's fine. Yo, Led, thanks for subscribing. Do subscribers, does the subscription thing just not work? Penis to you too. Penis to you too. Yeah, it's just, I'm trying to think what the crack is here. Hey there. Haunter, just the person I need, man. Just the person I need. You're good at the YouTube stuff. Like, dynamic YouTube banner changed when live, but I don't know how API stuff is hard. Yeah, their API is just not great, is it? It's quotas. Because I'm definitely not using, like, it at all. Like, my current usage is, like, 0. Even though it should be at least something. But... Like it, I don't know. Or does it just not work? I'm pretty sure I told this at the beginning of every day. So it just must not be working. I'm pretty sure I told this. Where is it? What would it be under? Products, maybe? I'm pretty sure I made a thing. It'll be minim goal bar, right? Yeah. When OBS has started. When OBS has started. Right, I actually don't know where I've put this information. Unless I've just done it as a separate thing. Where would I have put it? I honestly don't know. I'm like 90% sure I made something that checks for... Did I delete it? I must have deleted it like a moron. Well, I have to get that back. I had it for 2 days from the look of it. I had it for 2 days and then I deleted it. But yeah, the API does suck. YouTube API just does suck. But yeah, Haunter. Do you know of an easy way, without getting people to set up without setting up APIs and stuff like that, to get YouTube channel, to get profile image for a user, because it only works for message variables, message triggers in Streamer.Bot. It doesn't come through for subs and stuff like that, and members and all that jazz. Hello all. When I avoid it because of that, but imagine follow the football score and having player stats also inactive is impossible. Had one offline. Yeah, man. Yeah, that it is very frustrating though. Oh, what have you made it? That works. Yeah, but you need your API key, isn't it? Where did you rob that from as well? Who have you robbed for that? Do do do. Oh. Don't you just love it when a plan comes together? When they chat as a user variable. Yeah. So frustrating, man. How come Nate can't add? Is it just not part of that trigger? Can you just not get that then? Horn tried the same idea as me. Smart. Hey, Music Man. That's a little annoying though, isn't it? It's a little annoying. Nate hates the YouTube API. So do I. Like, even just their website, just for looking at what stuff is, there is a suggestion, better access to that variable. Like, it's just atrocious. It's one of them things, though. I think Google just owned that many things that you just can't keep track of it all, can you? And then when you've got so many different get it upvoted. There we go. I'll do it. Lol. Oh, why am I not signed in? What, the YouTube API? I've upvoted. Yeah, because it only works for like messages, doesn't it? That variable. What I'll do is just set it to a YouTube logo for now. I'll just set the animation to a YouTube logo. Where are you? Let's just try and use this link. Just so then at least there's something in there, isn't there? Rather than me putting bollocks. That's Twitch. Handle you this. We can remove that test. Profile picture equals. What am I doing? I can remove the Well, no, I'll leave the output browser, right? Because then if I do want to change that later on, oops, I can do. That's probably saves me having to rewrite it. Right, so we should have. Let's just bloody trigger this. So it actually goes back to something. And we've got nothing in the queue. That's cool. Let's go trigger a bunch of bloody alerts. Super chat, super sticker. So we're doing them all in order. Oh, because I've used it already around a thing, it doesn't matter. Who's Nate? The guy that made Streamer.Bot. Have a good one. No worries, Bongo. Much love to you. Right, so we technically have got now YouTube alerts working for the Dynamic Stream Island. This subscriber alert just does never trigger for me. I don't know if it's because maybe this version of Streamer.Bot is not connected to, what's it called? What's it called? It's been more on. So yeah, we just need to work out what to do with this profile picture. For now. I mean, for me, I can use my own API, that's fine. But it's not very user-friendly. So until Nate adds that, I wouldn't really be able to do much. Nice. Love it. Do we add Trovo? What have you asked? Sorry, Yayo. Sorry, I can't. The highlight message on screen is not great for me to see right now. Got a question. How do I put someone's name on my stream when they raid me on Streamer.Bot? You just need to do add a trigger. So add a trigger. Go down to Twitch. Go down to raid and press raid. And then that adds the trigger. And then anything you put in here, it'll be available. So were you telling someone earlier about that is subscribed variable for YouTube? Yeah. We did some tests, and is subscribed means is member, right? Oh. But it doesn't update if they are no longer a member. That's shite. YouTube's API is honestly dog. I remember. Man, YouTube's API is dog, innit, man? Absolutely dog. Like, Twitch are killing it. Do you know what I mean? Like, Twitch are adding all this crazy stuff where it, like, confetti shoots across your web browser when you get follows and stuff like that. And, like, what? It's mad. Absolutely nuts. That is honestly crazy. Well, I've got my alerts working. That's what I came here for. I am going to go and have a look in something like my alerts here. Because I'm going to pull the currency change, which I'm sure I would have put in. Let's go look for it. Control, process Twitch event, process this event. We got amount, we got amount. Okay, double pass, and then we've got currency code, and I'm pretty sure we run that currency code. Oh, it's there. Let's go steal this. I think I just hit the input there. I should have really finished watching that, but YOLO, bro. YOLO. Just paste it, see what happens. That's what I say. Currency code mapper. Hey, Stormtrooper gang. What's going on? We're just adding YouTube alerts to the dynamic stream island at the top of the screen. I wonder if the notification variable will named did comment. Is chat sponsored, but I don't know if Nate has access to it or if he's bringing it over. Oh, I feel like you should be bumping heads because you seem to know the YouTube API really well. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm good, thank you. Music Man. Say, Andy, have you heard anything about if Streamer.Bot will have fourth wall integration? In the alpha, they definitely do. I always forget what's public and what's not now, but in the alpha, there's definitely fourth wall integration already. We were doing some fourth wall giveaways as well. So when people join my fourth wall, they get access to all the stream up stuff as well. So we were doing actual membership giveaways the other day, which was really cool. So if anybody ever does gift YouTube, Twitch subs, rather than doing that, go gift a membership because anyone that gets the gifted membership, will get access to all the stuff. What does bumping heads mean? Like, just put your heads together and work it out. Fourth wall, it is an incredible tool for creators. It's like merch, Ko-fi, Patreon, all in one. It's incredible. That's my link there. When you sign up, you get $15 in sample credit for merch. So feel free to do it. It's free to sign up and have a little poke around. You get your own website. So my website. I don't know if the command is just exclamation mark website. My website is hosted over there, and it was all built using fourth wall, which is awesome. No, apparently that's not the command. I don't know any of my own commands. It's right funny. I actually don't have one. That's why. But andylippy.co.uk is used for it. Crazy. Right, let's narrow that down. I'm going to add that to my to-do list, actually. Add gift membership command for fourth wall memberships. Add website command for. There we go. Just so I remember to do it later on. What was I doing? Completely forgot. I was doing something to do with YouTube, wasn't I? Or was I? What were we just about to do? Oh, we were doing the currency mapper. That's correct. What we putting in? I've just thought, how am I running this? Actually, how am I running that from there? It's been a very long time. I was looking at moving my tips to there from Stream Elements, so I was planning fun things. Nice. It's fine. I love good distraction. It's my own fault for being stupid and not remembering. It's my own fault. But yeah, if you've not signed up already, use my link for Fourth Wall because it helps me out as well, and it helps yourself out. We need to add in a if currency code, right? I need to add the culture info and all that jazz. Can I just do equals null? And then currency code currently is just for YouTube. Thank you for liking the stream on YouTube. It's very kind of you. Currency code, currency code. Oh, I'll just add it to there. Dumbass. Yeah. So I don't need to do that. Because the thing that when I add it to, it always has currency code. So remove that. Overcomplicating things once again. Level name. New. Here we go. And it's always going to be there. Am I stupid? Get symbol from currency code. And then this would technically be that. I know it's already a string, but that's fine. I'm going to do this as well in here. Could do with cleaning that up, really. Can we just find refs? Oh, mind you, I need to get the what is it? Culture info in it. I'm just gonna go and double check that because I always end up putting the wrong freaking thing in there. It's that boy in it. Globalization, baby. Always put the wrong thing in. What am I missing then? What namespace uses this? Let's go play a game of what is missing? Is it collections for a thingy? And reference wise, try system. Core, right? Usual case. What am I missing? Does not kind definition for select. Google. Where's El Goog? Hey Tom, just a very basic question. I would start with Streamer.Bot, but I'm a Mac user, so my question is it possible to run Streamer.Bot at a dedicated machine and OBS at the iMac? I mean, technically yes, because it's all just WebSockets. So you just have to you'll have to just route it through to a different IP. So technically, yeah. I've got system globalization in there. That's why I'm a little bit like... Pfft. Apparently it's system link. Apparently. Google is a very powerful tool. So let's go test this. Is it going to work? What is it? Super sticker. Oh. Ew! Yeah, that's what I thought. That's why I went to globalization as well first off. Let's go, baby. Looking poggies. Looking poggies. Boom. It's just this, it's just this that I need to think of either something creative or profile image. The thing that's annoying is YouTube, Hunter, I'm guessing you're probably still here, but it's annoying that you've got super stickers, but no way to bloody use them, isn't it? Like, it's like they thought, oh, let's implement this really cool feature and then not let, like, creators utilize it. Like, you can get the sticker IDs and all this jazz, can't you? But you can't do anything with it, or unless I'm completely wrong. Because that looks sick if you could put the super sticker, fly that up there. You've got super stickers turned off on your channel. But do you know what I mean, though? It'd look mint. I could just pull that sticker, have the animation fire off there. But no. YouTube's just dumb, man. How many times am I going to say that today? Hey, yo, that's TD. Yeah, there's a sticker ID, but, like, that's what I mean. Like, they're just, it's not the best, is it? You know what I mean? Look, super sticker. You have the, not message, sticker ID. There you go, look. Yeah, sticker ID. Did you play this music? That's why I don't get noticed any TD. Ouch. Hey, Steph. How you doing? Hey, Andy. How do you activate your YouTube stream link when OBS starts streaming? Mine sometimes didn't work first time. I had to stop. Yeah, just do that. Or you can do it manually, can't you? So you can just go to multiple output and press start and stop anytime. So in mine, I just have it set up down the bottom here. Let me just align it. I don't want to show it because it'll have my key on it, but press modify and press link with YouTube or whatever it is. You can always start and stop manually anyway. I'm good. I'm great, actually. We've added YouTube triggers to this as well. So yeah, it's all been good. Might start with OBS streaming. Yeah. It says it will start, but YouTube didn't see it as start. I don't think there's anything for super stickers, is there? I'm just trying to think of creative solutions that I can put in place, because I don't know what to do with super stickers right now, and YouTube stuff. So I've got it all working, but we've got no access to profile pictures. We've got no access to like the super sticker itself. It's just kind of like, it's rubbish. Quite frankly, it's rubbish. I like stuff to be simple, and this isn't simple. You're back. Yeah, mine's on automatically start, but you have to remember you might need to set up a stream on YouTube. So I press go live on YouTube to go to the dashboard, set everything up there. Or you can do it in here and set up a YouTube stream as well. So sometimes, because YouTube doesn't know it's receiving a stream, I think. But ever since I've gone to the YouTube page and then to the actual dashboard, works every time. Works every time. Well, I'm really glad that the currency is now working as well, which is cool. We need to do donations. That's on there as well. That's on the to-dos. So we'll be doing Donor Drive, Ko-fi, Stream Element, Streamlabs, Tippy Stream, and what else is there? There is what else does donations? Tippy Stream, Streamlabs, Stream Elements. We've already done them. Fourth wall donation. I will add that in. So I'm just going to do the donations. I'm not always on the dashboard. Yeah, I always have the dashboard up, because then if there's any messages that come through that I can't see in my chat, I can just flip over to it at any point. Hey, Wombo. Beautiful. Oh, now we've got to have the fun of setting up. I'm really glad, though, that this is all automatic. I now don't need to make any adjustments in this. Anything that I send through on this alert is always aligned, which is nice. I can remove that. I don't need that anymore. Current date, current time, all works. I need to do donation alerts. I'll put donation settings under general, actually. Current date, and we'll do donation settings underneath. Donation settings. And that'll hopefully just set it globally. So we'll say current date, we'll say donation text top. for donations. And then this is where we're going to have to use some variables, right? So I need to go and work out what variables we have. Donation text hub. Yeah. So it would be, let's go down here. Nope. Let's go here. And let's enable this crap. This will crash it because it's going to try parsing it, but obviously it's not available right now. So donor drive. This is going to tell me that we're not actually connected, isn't it? So it's not going to trigger it. Mother trucker. So I'm just going to guess. Fourth wall. That one does work because we definitely are connected. So currency, the moon, baby. What we got then? So we got all this crap. We only need amount and currency, right? And username. Username, amount, currency. So let's just make a note of all these, shall we? This is fourth one. The source is that. Is there any other things that I can trigger this from? We've got event source as well, so I'm just going to write that down because I will be using that one. We've got username. Amount and currency. And then that's like just you. Oh, if I've... Is this for Streamer.Bot? Yes, I'm doing Streamer.Bot stuff right now. Thank you for liking the stream. Test Kofi. Well, I don't need to write fourth wall, do I? I can visibly see what's what. Thank you for liking the stream again, guys. We appreciate it. If you do have questions and stuff, please feel free to ask. It's absolutely fine. This, of course... Oh, no, it does. It does. It does. The event source is there. We're fine. And what do we have here is from... amount and currency, and that is USD as well, so currency code. What else do we need to check? Stream elements tip. The source. So I'm just writing all these down because it's just going to make it so much easier for me to go back and look at when I'm starting to put stuff together. Where are you? Event source, just here. Can you see who's liking the stream? No, that is anonymous. There's no way to find that in the API or anything like that as well. So it's pretty impossible. Right, tip username. That's there. We've got currency and amount. That's all we need there. So we've got tip username and everything. Cool. Will you share this after complete? Yes, it will be either available for my Patreon and Ko-fi members for free, since you're obviously paying for the membership, or I'm pricing this one at £25. And then I'll be adding extra widgets to it as we go along, and they'll be like a couple of pounds each. But again, if you're a Ko-fi or patron or fourth wall member, you'll just get access to everything all the time. I'm doing test. I don't know if I'm connected to Streamlabs because, but sorry, I had something in my throat there. I don't know what that was. This stream is brought to you by Streamlabs. Donation from. Why am I not doing this? Amount and currency. Oh, they've got formatted amount, which is actually pretty stunning. I only need to use that then. That actually makes that's a lot easier. It's for me like 2,500 or 3,000. Is it? I'm saying it in Great British pounds, if that helps. And speaking of Streamer, there you go. Username, currency, and amount. I need to just double check Stream Elements because that was currency. Here is that. The only one that I've not checked is Donor Drive. So I need to go and have a look at the variables on the website for that. I'm just gonna go back and check this one. Stream Moments tip. Yeah, it was that. Tip currency. That's cool. So let's go find the wiki for a second. Wiki.Streamer.Bot. I don't know if it's in the things yet. I keep using this old one because the other one's still a work in progress. Donor Drive. What have we got? Thank you for liking the stream on YouTube, everybody. Once again, legends. Is anyone logged in with a Donor Drive account? I'm guessing, because I can see these variables, and that's fine. But I'd like to know what event source is, because I can't test without making an account and all that jazz, which I probably will do at some point. Thank you, everybody, for liking the stream. Everyone's coming in and liking. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Remember, if questions, fire them at me. Fire them at me. Thank you for helping us all the time. It's all good, G-fams. You're more than welcome. I'm a little bit behind on doing YouTube videos at the moment just because of how much work I'm doing on all the things. I'm looking for a different app, Andy. You're an idiot. __ source. What else we got? We got donor name. Because I don't know what the actual sources are. So we've got donate and donator name, donor name, donor amount is the amount given, and I think that's all I've got. I don't have any, so I'm guessing that'll be in the correct. Yeah, we'll just roll with that. Put full there, like a formatted amount. Thanks for helping everyone, Andy. We love you all, but I love you more. I love you more, Yayo. I love you more, bro. Yeah, has anybody got a Donor Drive account that could just test it for me? Because it's the only one that I don't have, that I'm not connected to. Ayo. Does that actually work for testing? Oops. That, to be fair, I just did a bunch of clicking then really quick. Didn't really pay attention. TD, have you ever tested this before? Thought you loved me more. Oh, of course I do, TD. What's this all about? I am building the widget that you can see on screen at the top of the stream right now. I've just added YouTube alerts to it, and now I'm going to be adding donations, but I don't really know what I'm doing. Oh, is it because it unable to monitor donor drive? The donor drive is either not found or the endpoint is incorrect. I thought that's what this testing thing would have done. Twitch testing. Is that not how this works? Yo, thank you for subscribing, Gangan Deep. The ice cream van again. Does Tiltify work? I don't know. I've not looked at Tiltify. I'm just trying to get this testing right now because Tiltify, I don't even know what. Does Tiltify even a thing on here? Oh, it's Shopify. Sorry, no, Tiltify is not in Streamer.Bot yet, is it? I wonder how we test it. How do we test it? How do we test this? I don't know how to test it. I don't know how to test it. TD, help me. See, I thought that might be like the testing, since it says Twitch testing. I wonder if I've got to put certain info in there. There's nothing else there. Like, these are all like just genuine. Let's have a look. Let's do some Googling. I don't know. Any idea? So apparently this is a test URL, which is right. I don't know. I don't know how I'd test it. I don't know. Yeah, boy does not know. If anybody does know, please let me know. I'm spending too long on something that probably people ain't even going to use. So let's not do that. God, TD, write better documentation, man. Like, write some documentation that actually makes sense. Do you know what I mean? Like... Love you, TD. God. Just, like, write some documentation, man. How difficult? Been telling him that forever. Follow on YouTube and Twitch. Well, thank you, my code. Thank you. I appreciate you. All I want to do is I'm just gonna guess that it comes through as donor drive, and if it doesn't come through as donor drive, then they can suck my balls. Donor drive, because there's no other triggers, is there, for donor drive? It's just the single trigger, I think. Oh God, why is something going really laggy? Is there any more? It's just donor drive, right? Donor drive donation. Let's just say that that's the trigger, shall we? Donor drive donation. And the event source will be donor drive. Screw it. If that'd be logical if that was the case, so we're just going to roll with that. Well, welcome on in, my code. Is that how you pronounce that? My God. And we're going to have to do a handle donation event. Public bool handle donation event. String underscore source, because then everything is just broken down, which is lovely jubbly, return true. Why are you so mean to some people? Because they're mean to me, IO, dude. I do all this nice stuff for people, and then they're just so rude to me. It's just what am I meant to do with that? You know what I mean? Right, so is it just basic? We set the output username, but that's going to be per thingy, so that will need to be different for both. And then we'll just do a switch for the source again. So I can't remember to do this, so I'm just going to do that. So I don't think there's any specifics. And just to show you everyone, this is what I made earlier when I was doing them test things. Just so I've got all the information that I need just there. So I can just copy. So we'll go in alphabetical order, shall we? So we got donor drive donation. Whether or not that is the trigger is somebody else can guess that. That's not my problem. We'll do another case for whatever. And we'll just do this for, how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hate when this does this. Donor drive, what's next in the alphabet? That'd be an F, wouldn't it? F in chat for my pro coding skills. And then it'll be Stream Elements. Which is Stream Elements still getting loads of shit from people? There we go. And then we'll have to just basically do some basics. So set username. Set username. Big F's there. The F's are on fire. That emote is so bad. I don't even know why I made that. Don't know why I made that. Such a moron. Such a huge moron. Like, look at how bad it is. It is awful. Like, it's just a mess. Like, why did I make that? So I think it's called output username, isn't it? Yeah. Well, let's do this. Let's just copy that. And then we set this to whatever that certain trigger is, and we're just gonna do it all at once, right? Because no fear, bro. No fear. Ask me if I'm bothered. The first one is donor drive, which is donor name. Then we've got fourth wall, which is username. Ko-fi donation, which is from. Suppose I could just put this up here, right? Because it's not really covering the chat, unless everyone spams chat. If you spam chat, then you're a bit of a loser, aren't you? A bit of a loser. Stream Elements, tip username. Streamlabs is donation from. And Tippy Stream is username. What else do I do in these triggers? The one that I'm really curious that I want to make it like is pretty much like the super chat, because the super chat does the convert in the currency code, which is there. So I might just copy this bottom bit and stick this in here. The question is, what pictures do I put in? I mean, we just need to decide that later on, don't we? Send it again, because I think I got disconnected. What are you sending? Bongo just beat you Sonic 3 time. He just DM'd me. Bongo didn't. Bongo can't. Bongo don't even know how to install the game, man. Would say the logo of the service. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Put some baby pictures in. Yeah, probably get the logo. Or isn't there a website that has like really nice logos of everything that's just like, I can't remember what it's called. It's like logo.com or something stupid. Can't remember what it's called. But we'll set the pictures in a little while. Currency symbol. So we need to get the symbol, don't we? Load amount and currency. So it would probably be, I would probably want to load them all as strings, right? Because that would make sense. I want to smash you. TD. I want to smash you. How does that make you feel? So we'll do string currency code equals, and we'll do string amount equals, yeah? He was like sub 1 hour. Shut up. Right, I'm just gonna pop to little boy's room because I'm shaking my leg because I've drunk a lot of water, haven't I? So I need to pop to little boy's room. We've been doing 2.5 hour stream, man. We're doing longer streams at the minute. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Remember, if you do have questions and stuff, fire them, man. Or you just, I know a lot of you just like my dulcet tones, don't you? So you just like. Hey, yo, baby. Sorry for the delay. Piss off. You're all trolls. You are all trolls. Every single one of you. Why can't you just be nice to me? Just for once, just be nice. Is it that difficult for you all to just be nice? Hey? Is that right? Yeah, that's what I thought. What have I done over here? Hey, Kieran, how you doing? Right, so we set currency code from an ARG as well. So let's just copy this. I don't know why I've not just done this for all of them and got down actually, rather than do it all at once. But this is just the idiot that I am, isn't it? Because I'm an absolute moron. Terrible? Why terrible? What's wrong, baby? Do you want to talk to Uncle Andy? Uncle Andy will help you. What are we doing first then? Donor drive. Piss off. Donor name, we've already done that. Donor amount, we only need to do that for amount. Right? So that means we don't need this. I'm not creepy. much. Replace amount with amount. And that's all we need to do. Browser is rounded. Yeah, they're all going to kick off after this, but so they all start kicking off from here, which is fine. These are all. How have I done that? Like, I must be like just slapping the keyboard today. So donor driver can't test, so that's really useful to test. So we'll move on to fourth wall, in which I can test. Paste that in there, load the amount. So the amount that we want to load in will be amount, nice and easy. And we will have to put in string currency code. I've just realized I'm not zoomed in for you again. And the args for that is just currency. And then I'll have to run up here and grab this little doobry that I had earlier. Save me writing it out again, because copying and pasting is your friend with this stuff. Fourth wall, get the currency code and then convert it, which can be done there. Bosh. So we get the currency code, slap it in there, and then replace amount with how do I want to do this? Yeah, I'll just do it like that. That's fine. I'll add currency as a variable. No, actually, this won't work with it. Oh, no. Yeah, I've got it. Do currency. Right. And then for donor drive, because it all comes through as one, tell it to replace currency with... Check this out. Boom. Replace it with blank, bro. That should make sense there. Currency code, yeah, set it. Do all that, set rounded. Again, I've left that there as an option. Let's move to Ko-fi. And we'll do the classic, let's test them all in one go at the end and then get confused. So it's from amount and currency, the same, which is really nice. That means I don't have to do anything. I think I just have to do that. Was that it? Because that just seems too easy. That's far too easy, so that's 100% broken. Stream elements tip is tip username. We've already done tip current amount. Sorry, tip amount and tip currency. Currency code. Blah 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 blah. Blah. Gucci. There's some of these clearing off now. 436. That's because I left that in there. That's good. And we'll do Streamlabs now. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Let's try that again, shall we? The forrit's done one, mate. Forrit's gone now, you're alright. Load amount. I'm just going to copy this in there as well, because then it's ready to go to next. Streamlabs dono. Donation from. Oh, this has got a full format, doesn't it? So don't. Oh, bollocks. I've already done. Oh, I'm so stupid sometimes. So this one needs to be replace currency with blank. And we don't need to go and get the currency symbol because we've got the donation formatted completely anyway. Blah, 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 blah. Awesome. some more have cleared off. Stunning. And Tippy Stream is username, and we've got currency and amount, which is just this. Dreamy. This switch statement needs closing. Oh, bollocks. What have I done? Oh, I've not added brakes, you moron. It's because when I... Will this work for French Canadian? Well, it should be. It's whatever, because I'm not processing that information. It is literally just whatever Tippy, whatever these streams, revenue streams ship out. That's all I'm using. Is that all I need to do then? So right now the output browser picture. Let's just grab a $ sign or something. I don't know. Jesus, that made me jump. So we'll set profile pic to profile pic equals wrong button. There we go. I'm just gonna go and grab an image. $, bro. Look for a random image off the internet. There we go. Here's a random image. First try work? Is that a yeah? Cool. Thought so. Can't test for Dono Drive, which I want to remove that just in case I do end up triggering it by accident. Dono Drive's so broken, bro. In fact, that reminded me, I actually need to run the test. Bongo beat a Jump King. Mate, Bongo ain't beating nobody at Jump King. He's like got lead weight on his king. He ain't jumping anywhere. Like, he just, the only place he's going is down, bro. He's just going down. I already set it up. See my name up a lot. Yeah, see? Your teachers didn't know nothing, mate. Right, I need to actually close this off because I've forgotten that. I wish I set up a thing that didn't process that as continued. Maybe it's... I'm sure I can set that up. General. So we just have amount and currency, right? So it'll be /n variables /n. We have currency, donation currency, and we have amount equals donation amount. And by default, currency. Thought I did $1 there. Currency amount. Oh my God, Andy, can you not type today, please, man? Let's load the settings. Currency donation amount donation. That should be cool. It's all coming together, isn't it? Let's move this out of the way and let's go and have a look at the triggers. Whoop, whoop. Right, I want to make sure that that has gone. Yeah, right, cool. I'm not touching Donor Drive. Donor Drive can suck my balls. Oh. What did you not like? There was a value being null again, so we had this last time. We had this last time and I don't remember what it was. we literally had this same issue of it sending through a null variable. I was like, oh yeah, that's it. And I don't think I'm going to find it this time. I'm not doing that. Profile pic equals whatever. So that is already been set. So that's cool. Yo, Chaz, I'm Gucci. How are you doing? Is there anything in... I'm not... yeah, I'm not even triggering the event source. I'm sure I could probably make this look better, but I'm just going to do this for now. And by nesting them. So that's why that... No, but surely that... Oh, no. Yeah, I know what I was saying. And then we want a break, actually, don't we? Break. Mind you, this would just be handle donation event __ source Bosch. And then this would be basically just all these. So I'm going to put in order again. In fact, how many did we say it was? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whew. I'm good, man. That's good to hear. We're proper smashing this widget at the moment. It's looking incredible. It's working incredibly. Ko-fi. Oops. Stream elements. Stream labs. And Tippy Stream. Oh, Andy, you an absolute muppet. Oh, God, I make myself so angry. You're copying the wrong variables. YouTube incredible or Twitch incredible? It's working for both, baby. It is currently working for both. Tippy Stream and Donor Drive. Don't even know if that is the correct thing, but YOLO, bro. Now it'll be running. Let's test that. Go over to the trigger, and we'll go 4th wall. Let's go, baby. God damn it. And why? Oh, we're back in verbose, aren't we? Because we reset. I wish you could turn that off. Error running. What? There's an error running something. Alert handler because. Donation _ source. And then that's going to fail because, right, so we're missing a trigger somewhere in here that we're not setting. So what am I forgetting to set? We've got output username, message. Let's just put in some just find out if it's actually getting to the processing. And then we can work on all the other stuff. Putting your rocks in, I like that. Heyo. Alert. 4th wall, baby. Right, it is getting to there, look. So I'm not setting an object or something. What am I forgetting to... output message we do. Username, browser, and browser rounded. Right? So we should be setting 4 variables. So we've got the output username, output message, I've been dumb. I have been dumb. I have been dumb. I know exactly what I've done wrong. I need to reset this because this gets set to alert something, something, something dark side. But I need to reset that to something else. So I'm going to set it in here. Template message equals, still equals this. But I believe I called it donation, right? Hey, short stack, what's crack-a-lacking? Something, something, something complete. I am Gucci, dude. How are you doing? Let's remove that so I can see chat again. Whoop, whoop. I just want to make sure that I actually did call it that variable, because that's pretty dumb if I didn't. Well, we've got donation text top as well that I need to do, actually. I'm like triple guessing what the hell I'm doing now. So we've got the template message pulls from it was just donate. What did I just say? I just said it out loud, didn't I? What I set it to. And I've forgotten. Donation text top. That's because I'm using the other variables. Yeah, that's fine. I might just change it to alert donation message, because that just makes a bit more sense. Alert donation message. Cool. Copy. Save and compile. Run the settings whilst I'm editing this, because I can multitask. That'll set it to the new variable. Yeah. Cool. Cool. And then alerts donation message. I think it's just alert, isn't it? Yeah, of course it is. For fuck's sake. I like consistency. Delete that variable. Delete that variable. Hey, Primitive. Dude, it's been a hot minute. How you doing? What you been running at the moment? Where it is. The settings again. We need to just run this once again. Setting it again for the like 18th time. I wish I could do it. Well, I'm just picking now. Come on, let's go. First try, please. Go. First try. I don't know what this is, though. Don't know what that is. Or what 4242 is. So I don't know what I've done there, but wait, something's happening. But it's also crashed, I think. Unless the queue says derusting FF7. Nice. Love that. What are you doing? Console, you say? Oh, let's delete that variable. As I'm running a marathon tomorrow. Oh, is there a marathon on? What's that in aid of? Why have I got 11 emails? Who's spamming me? Nerd or die? They've just spammed crap at me. Yeah, I hope the run goes well, dude. Who's in it? Let's go and have a look what this has actually done. 42. So amount and currency. So I've not set that right. We definitely know that. And then whatever the hell this is, I don't know what that is. that would be just some YouTube shenanigans that I've done in it, rather than doing the sensible thing. I like how it resizes it. I'm going to be doing Blue Cross UK. A lot of people are in it, as it's like a week long. It's a week long? Damn. That's wild, but yeah, I'll definitely be. Are you going to be streaming it? Because I'll do it. So we've been an official Elgato partner. Hopefully, mate. I remember I did ask once upon a time, like last year or something like that, and they were like, yeah, we might be picking some partners next year, and then never heard anything. So I was just like, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. I'm going to change this image in the alert handler and have a look at these variables. So, because I've just forgotten that small space of time. I wish this would remember what you've got open. That is something that I do wish Nate could add. Well, that's a smaller image as well. That's nice. Output message. Replace amount with amount. Replace currency with nothing. Oh, I know what I've done. Straight away, I was like, yeah, I know what I've done. Symbol. Amount. That's formatted anyways. That's fine. Currency symbol to currency symbol. Bosh. Make sure it compiles. Yes. And let's do another test. 100% start at 9 PM tomorrow. Nice. Well, that's usually my time for starting to chill out, but I will stop by 100%. Fourth wall, go. Heyo. Kofi, go. Streamlabs, go. Streamlabs, go. Tippy Stream, go. Everyone send all the monies. Heyo. Why are you not in it? I don't have time for that. That scares me that it's exactly the same for both triggers. Are they all actually just test user? Because I am a bit scared by this. Yeah, they are. Buzzing. So we've added donation alerts, YouTube alerts. My next question is, the queue's saying 0, but I don't think my rotator potato timed action is on. There we go. It's not on. Enabled. I can run it manually as well. There we go. It's current time 3333. Even though it's not, it's just clocked up. But we don't need to worry about that, do we? Oh, there we go. Look at it. It's Pog. And we'll just do another test. We'll do a Twitch follow. Whoa, we just got a Twitch follow, bro. Oh, but then we've got somebody donating. Oh, everyone's so kind. Oh, we've got a new sponsor coming in on YouTube. Let's test. Oh, Tippy Stream comes in there. We've got a resub. Oh, that's wild, that. Oh, and a cheer. Whoa, bro. That's crazy, man. Whoa. It works. Bongo should join the FF7 race. Man. So the only other thing that I need to do is work out what images I want to put for each. And then I think that's pretty much all the alerts done, right? Is there any other alerts I need to add? It's just that I'm just doing donation, YouTube and Twitch. I'm not adding like other things. I'll add them as widgets later on down the line. Thank you for liking the stream. Amazing acting. I don't know what you're saying, man. Yeah, I was just getting so excited, wasn't I? Hey, farm boy. The only thing I'm a little bit unsure about are these browser sources not resetting sometimes. I'm great, thank you, dude. How are you doing? And then we should go back to the previous widget, which was current date. So let's go back to current date now, please go. It's so good. It's so good. I'm so proud of how well it is. What have I got? Oh, made me jump, man. I've pooed myself. Raphael coming in with a new Prime subscription. New Prime subscription. Heyo. Dropping his Prime before he's even chatted for the first time. Thank you very much for the Prime sub, baby. I see you all the time on YouTube, you know, dropping them comments and stuff, so I appreciate that, man. And the alerts were working amazing, which is absolutely awesome to see. Oh, it's so good. And then the beautiful thing about this is once I'm happy, all I've got to do is export it, paste it into my live Streamer.Bot, and then all them things that we added, like the donation, everything like that, would just work straight away. Because I've not made any adjustments to OBS. It's all just done through Streamer.Bot, which is just stunning. Stunning. This is the first time I've seen your YouTube live stream as a card on my YouTube feed. Do you enjoy multi-stream so far? I do. It's actually really helped me. I've actually been getting more audience over on Twitch, believe it or not. Which is because I don't normally get... I was averaging, what, 20 viewers, I think? And then now this month's average... Well, last month, we've finished the month now. I'm going to actually have a look and let you guys know. Thank you for liking the stream over on YouTube. Appreciate it, guys. I'm going to go and have a look at my stats. I don't normally do stats too much, but I know for a fact my average viewer has gone up quite massively since multi-streaming. So, October, my average viewers was 32 and 101 follows. 106 follows. November, 40 average viewers, 178 follows, right? And already in December, we're doing well. But if I go back to, because I probably started in October, so as you can see, it's kind of gone up. But if I go back to, I know you can't see this on screen, it's just, get over it. I'll put September on, average viewers was 30, follows was 58. So do you know what I mean? You kind of seeing a big improvement as the months have gone on. So, yeah, I think it was late October. In fact, you can see there. You can see here. This is when the switch to YouTube happened. Late October. Hey, what I'm using for the zoom and follow is what I used previously. I've just done a video on it. Let's look at some other stuff as well, shall we? Let's look at this. This is pretty good. So this will be some interesting insights for you all. So we'll go from September. In fact, we'll go from August. So August, I definitely wasn't doing too great. Average viewers, like you could see, am I zoomed in enough and whatnot? I don't know. Let's zoom in. So here you go. This is August. So this is definitely before multi-streaming. I was still streaming pretty regularly, but I was doing extra streams as well. So some days I was streaming like every week, every day. Sorry, do you know what I mean? I was doing a lot of stuff. But then you'll see what 49 subs. I mean, I'm a full-time content creator. 49 subs is not good. Do you know what I mean? I've been full-time now for over a year. 49 subs is not great. Do you know what I mean? I was going down a dirty little path. Look, 33, there, I was in a slump because I was like, I was not earning anything from streaming. There is no point to me streaming. And I know that there's such a negative way of looking at it. Like, do you know what I mean? You could just see it was all right. Look at this, 110. That's better. Like, I always try and aim for at least like 100 subs, as you can see, and it was just going down and down. And this is the same for average viewers. Look, everything was just roughly going down, completely down now. This is when I was in my creator slump where I was like, right, I can't do this, can't do that because such and such. A lot of things in life, like having a baby and everything like that, it kind of goes on. Do you know what I mean? And you can start seeing, I start picking it back up here, working out, right, what days are going to be good for certain pieces of content and stuff like that. I'll put it on average viewers because I think that's more interesting. As you can see, as we start getting into like August, I start finding a bit of a rhythm, and I'm finding out here it's mainly my Sundays, Mondays, Fridays, Saturdays, and then I'm like, right, cool, let's make a schedule then. And then all of a sudden, at the end of, I think, was it end of September? So you can see here, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, bonus stream Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. So I started getting my bit of a schedule going. Subs are up, follows are technically up. Moving into October, where you can see is following the same schedule: Sunday, Monday, Friday, miss Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So the schedule's working well, but then multi-streaming hit. I think it was it? Yeah, here. Multi-streaming was at end of October because you can see the boost in follows instantly, right? Move it on again to October, November. Well, not November. Again, following the same thing, streaming a little bit extra with bonus days in there, but mainly it's just the Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Average viewers are skyrocketing. This one was a raid, so that's like artificially grown, which is boosting this month, but still, like, these are popping 30, 40, between 30 and 40, which is unheard of usually for me. Follows have absolutely gone overboard. Subs again, I'm where I kind of like being. Obviously 100 still not like a huge amount of revenue, but this is only one revenue source of multiple things, so like, it's always good. Obviously, you as a creator, you're always pushing to get as many subs as possible because that's kind of what you got to do. But you can see live views again. Look at the complete change. This is how many people are coming in. Do you know what I mean? Unique chatters as well. Look at that. It's like up by 100, nearly 150. So you can see since multi-streaming, it's been pretty huge for me. It's really brought life to my Twitch channel, which is lovely. I think that's where it can be powerful. And obviously, I've been earning a little bit of extra ad revenue over on YouTube as well. So that's always another benefit from that. So, you know what I mean? There's a lot of things that there is a lot of pros to it, really. Let me get caught up with chat. Let me put some lips on, though. But how are you doing, IO Sono, baby? I'm here to ask help for something from OBS. Let's go stick this on screen and let's have a look. I mean, ask someone in OBS who can help me. Related to this round the corner plus tracking face effect. So the face is always framed. I can't combine them correctly. Can you show me how it can be here live, or if things better, do a video tutorial? So the way I do mine, Raphael dude, is it's complicated, but not. So I'm not going to do a full thing, but I'm just going to show you my setup for it, if that's all right. So I'm going to go to studio mode and show you my camera, because I've obviously got rounded corners here, as you can see. I'm actually using the advanced mask plugin by Finite Singularity. So if I go over to my cameras, and you'll be able to see my camera is in this group, this one here, and I'm going to go to filters. And you'll be able to see all my different filters just here. I have a tracking camera here called camera centering. And what I have is, let me move it down because that's the Polaroid picture. I have my share left display scene. So I do my tracking per scene, per source, and everything like that. So I've got the X and the Y tracking. So that's this and obviously this to track me in center. I have it set up so it selects the move value and not source because I'm wanting to use the advanced mask. Okay. So I have it set up as you would do. Select the filter advanced mask because that's what I want it to adjust, because I'm actually moving the mask. I'm not moving the camera. I'm moving the mask to track my camera, but the mask is stationary, if that makes sense. So it's masking my face like this and following my face, but the actual mask stays in one place. If that makes sense. So I'm doing the center X, so I'm following the center X. I'm using a bounding box. Feel free to like make a note of the time of this, because then you can go through it again when you're setting it up yourself. The bounding box I'm using is the horizontal center. I always put a bit of confidence on, because the confidence will allow you to do, like, if it loses your face, it's not just going to jerk away. It's going to freeze where it is. So if I'm like all the way over here and I cover my face up, the camera's still frozen, look. Do you know what I mean? It's trying to find me there. But if I'm moving out of the way and then it finds me, that's what that kind of allows it to do. The factor and difference is just a bit of a play around with to get the right level of tracking. A bit of reason, done. Do the exact same for the Y coordinate. The trick is this advanced mask. And the reason why the advanced mask is great, because you've seen all the settings I've just used there, so make sure you do come back to having a look at that. But the advanced mask, where it is share left display, which is on this scene, is it? No, it's display. This is camera. The advanced mask allows you to basically move the source. So as I do this, you'll probably see these. It's just, there's a lot of features that you can use in this. It is why it is wicked. But using move value and using the center point will allow it to adjust. So you can see every time I refresh this number, if I'm all the way over here, that number now is it. So I'm just basically controlling center X, center Y on the source mask properties. And that's what's doing the tracking. And then you can set all your corners and stuff like that. So top left, I can do you know what I mean? You just do whatever you want with it. And it doesn't affect anything that's in the source, right? Hopefully that makes sense. Obviously, make a note of the time I did this. It's a plugin by Finite Singularity. It's called Advanced Mask. It's not out on the OBS forums yet. It is only on his GitHub page. But version 1 is going to be out very, very soon. So just have to hang around for that to happen. Won't be long. Hey Brogan, it's been over a year since you went full time. Yeah, over a year. It's been what, like, we're coming into the 11th month. It was the end of November I left Apple, which is just wild to think. It was a crazy time, and well, you've just looked through my Twitch career for the past I think it was like the last 6 months there, and you can see that I was getting close to maybe thinking about getting a little other job or something like that. But I think it was just because so many things happened recently in life, with having a baby and all that jazz. It was just too much, and I wasn't getting the organization that my brain requires. I always need organization to be able to have a plan to do things and everything like that. That's why I have this ginormous to-do list, because anytime I think of something, I write it down, and if I don't write it down, that's it. I've forgotten about that. It's not getting done. So now that I've kind of got a bit of a routine, I feel like I'm smashing it. The only other thing I need to do is just obviously work on maintaining revenue, because it's quite important. As for me to stream on a Friday and a Monday, I have to send Jackson to nursery, and that costs me and Beth about £500 a month to send him to nursery just so I can stream. So it's quite important that I at least make that £500 back. So I think I will add it as a dono goal or something like that monthly. I know it's a lot, but I'm not expecting to earn that in donos, but it's like that is just a goal across the board that I need to make sure I reach that. Otherwise, it's not worth streaming, which means it's not worth. Do you know? You get what I'm saying, don't you? Hey Boris, how you doing, sweetie? I'm gutted that we can't meet tomorrow. I'm gutted. Well, I'll be seeing you Friday though, which will be nice. You're smashing it. Been doing this full time is amazing work. Thanks, Bongo. I appreciate that. It's all down to mainly Patreon and Ko-fi supporters. That's why I've taken a bit of a break from YouTube, because YouTube wasn't earning any revenue either. Like the sponsors, I wasn't really getting too many sponsors and stuff like that. So doing videos is a bit difficult to spend a good day or two making a video and then earning £50 from it. Do you know what I mean? I know obviously it's residual and it carries on, but I don't earn too much from YouTube videos. I earn probably about £200 a month now. It did used to be higher, but again, £200 is not covering the bills for Jax. So it's like, is it worth it? So I've got a big priority list in my head, and the priority is making widgets, making things that people want to support me on Ko-fi, Patreon, Fourth Wall. So I'm giving something back, because like, screw subbing on here. Do you know what I mean? When you sub to somebody on Twitch, you don't really get it. You get ad-free viewing, but I mean, you've all got Twitch Turbo, right? Which is all Gucci by me. But using where was I? What was my point? I can't remember where I was going with it. But yeah, making stuff is just the kind of priority. Giving people that, giving them more reason to support. So like, for the same amount as a Twitch sub, you can go and join my Fourth Wall, Ko-fi or Patreon, and you get a shit ton of stuff for your stream. So it's like, what have I got? Yo! I love how the math has to work out on the widget, so it takes a while to come in. Yo! Thank you for gifting 81. Love that. I appreciate it, bro. But this was one of the things that were really good about Fourth Wall, is that rather than gifting a sub, which was one of the things that I was going to just say before you did that, rather than gifting a Twitch sub to somebody, which, yeah, it's cool, people get ad-free reviewing and all that jazz, you can gift Fourth Wall memberships. So you can actually go to my Fourth Wall, which is andilippy.co.uk, which I need to add in some commands. You can go to andilippy.co.uk, and rather than just gifting somebody a sub, you can gift a membership. So when people get that membership, they get access to all the stream up stuff. So rather than just like doing like a £5 gifted sub or whatever, and Twitch taking 50% of that, may I add, you could actually gift somebody a Fourth Wall membership, which will give me more revenue, because Twitch don't take 50%. I think Fourth Wall only take, it's like less than 10%. I'm pretty sure it's less than 10%, or something like that. And on top of that, the person that you're gifting it to will be able to get all my products for their stream for free, basically, which is pretty Gucci. So that's the advantage, JD, because the way that I've got it set up, because we've now got a download center, because Waldo's put in some absolute graft. I'll show it you guys now. At my.streamup.tips. These filters. Thanks, Curly D. How you doing, sweetie? You all right? But now, so it can be a little bit difficult to show you certain things because I don't have access, because I'm obviously the creator, so it's a bit hard to show you. But if I log in, anything that I've purchased through Ko-fi or downloaded through Ko-fi, you can just basically log in with the email that you used to download them initially. Just use that email. Let me just move my OBS back across here so I can actually see the preview and make sure I've got everything set up. In fact, Bongo is gifting a membership right now. Let's go. Anybody that wants to get a membership, do ! Enter in chat. This is what we're talking about right now. Do ! Enter if you are not a Fourth Wall member, and you will be able to potentially win all of my products. That is how powerful this giveaway is. You potentially, the winner gets all my products. You just got to do exclamation mark, enter into chat, bosh. Done. It's crazy. And then once you've done it and you've got it all logged in and whatnot, you can log in and you'll be able to see all of, in fact, you can't on mine because apparently, I don't know what's happened. There was some stuff here. Oh, I need to press downloads. Nope. Yeah, I do. So you can see all the products that I've ever downloaded on Ko-fi just here. But if I was a fourth wall member, it would show. Short stack. It's only on on Twitch. Get across to Twitch, quick, quick, quick! You've got 180 seconds. Well, it's not 180 now. I'm gonna create a timer for that actually. I need to. So when the second that triggers, I need to do a timer. But you've got 180 seconds. Do exclamation enter if you want a chance of winning all of my products. Don't find it difficult to manage them all? Absolutely, JD, but it gives me... but now with this new setup, they all feed into the website. So they all feed into this system, or they will do. Because right now we've got fourth wall. Well, technically, I've got 5. I've got 5 sub-membership services, because I've got both StreamUp on Ko-fi and Patreon. I've got my Patreon. I've got my Ko-fi and my fourth wall. So technically there's 5 different ones that I have to maintain. And they all feed into this website. Yo, Stocky, thank you for the follow. Yeah, short stack, love it. So right now the only thing that we don't have set up is what is it? The only thing we don't have set up is Ko-fi memberships right now. I follow your YouTube. Didn't know you had Twitch too. Of course I do. I do Twitch tutorials, man. When was the last update done for the Pokemon game? Quite a while ago. Yo, Matrixite, thank you very much for follow. Sorry if I'm missing any of these that are popping. God, that your profile picture makes that dynamic widget look amazing. Just saying. Exclamation mark enter, remember guys, there's still a bit of time left. I don't know how long's left though, but I don't think it's long. So yeah, JD, this should make it a lot easier for us to maintain, as I can just log in here, which is great. Just want to know if I have the latest one, not sure how to check. It will automatically check on startup. If it's the cloud version, it will check on startup. There we go. Somebody won. Who won? Short stack. Boom. GG's. So now that you've won that, all you need to do is follow that link that Fourth Wall's just put in chat. Go to andylipia.co.uk/redeem. And it'll redeem to your Twitch account email address. And then all you need to do is come to this link, which is my.streamup.tips. So you've got a tier 1 membership, a tier 1 tier membership. There you go. And then once you've redeemed it, go to my.streamup.tips and register as a new user. Register with the same email address that you have for Twitch and what you've used to redeem it. And boom, you'll be able to log in there and access every single product that I have on there. Every single product that's on the StreamUp website, you'll be able to access. There we go. That sound there means Short Stack has just accepted his membership. There you go. Enjoy. Now go into there, you log in, and you get absolutely everything. And I mean everything. Every single thing that's on currently available on Ko-fi that's not in early access, may I add, you just get. Boom, done. You want to thank Bongo. Bongo was the one that gifted that one. So you see how that has got so much more potential than doing a Twitch sub. How much better is that? Like, you basically gift somebody all of my things, which is amazing. These examples are going to cost me a fortune. I just need to do, like, get people used to it. Rather than doing... Because I get more revenue from it. And you actually get to gift somebody something of use. Do you know what I mean? Something that's actually amazing. So we'll work on, like, getting it all together. Yo, Marcus, how we doing? Pet Suamai, it'll come back, man. Just give me a break. You know, I think sometimes I don't have the update checker for SB. That's because you're... all them are the new things that aren't physically out yet. But all of the new updates are going to be out publicly. I mean, they technically are now, but just get over it. It just still needs to be uploaded to the website is all. Farmboy, don't worry. That is the new update checker. That won't tell you if you've got the new Pokemon game. Just don't worry. To be fair, if it works, it works. Just leave it. Unless it says update it, just leave it. Don't do anything. Well, I'm waiting on my 2 free products as part of my Ko-fi membership. Thanks, Matrix. I'm glad you like it. In fact, where's Jesus at? Because Jesus hasn't actually redeemed their gifted tier 2 membership. So that's the early access stuff. Not only that as well, when you are a 4th wall member, you get access to my Discord as well. It's just the sounds yours played. I don't have those sounds. What do you mean? The Pokemon sounds. I've added them manually. So as the guide says, you can add your own sounds. So I don't know where Jesus is at. But I don't know if Jesus actually does want this, because he already has... Well, we'll wait until they're in again, because we might have another one going on. The internet is where you would find them. The internet. Just a little search, you'll be able to find them easily. So yeah, I hope you guys like that. I think it's way better than using Twitch subs though, right? Like, actually insane. Find the sounds in my garden. Shut up, Bongo. Like, oh, Bongo. Bongo, Bongo, Bongo. I'm really glad how much we've done with this today. I think I've done all of these now. I just need to find all the images that I want to use. So, is there a website that has, like, all logos? Or something like that? Because I need to find an image for all of the different things. And I think that then, like, it's almost done. Because right now it's just doing a static. Give me some dough. I'm £70 lighter today. Oh, God. Why £70? What have you done, Bongo? Oh, did Ko-fi come out today or something? Oh, dentist. Oh, dentist. I thought it was me. God damn dentist. Canva might be good. I'm just looking for generic... I'm sure there's like a website. Pretty sure. And they've like got really sleek logos. I just don't remember what it is. I'm pretty sure they just used to be a cool thing. Let's just go find some. Donut Drive logo. And we'll just make sure we get it off the web. In fact, I know what I did. I know 100% what I used to do. I used to just get it from the Streamer.Bot website. That's what I did. I used the logos that was on their website. Because I'm like that. But is the wiki gonna get smashed up? Because the wiki doesn't have any the documentation doesn't have any logos, I don't think. API. Which is sad. Where's the logos at, bros? Yeah, I bet it does. All come out in one hit. Bongo's like #1 supporter, guys. Triggers. Yeah, there's no logos. I mean, I really like this, but like, you've got rid of logos. I used to use them images all the time. That's Sag. Bring back logos. Bring back logos. I wonder if they're on the Streamer.Bot website. Suppose I could just put the images. Yeah, there are images here, which is cool. Donor drive. We'll do that first. Oh, I've done something. That was not what I wanted. I'm just being stupid. Everybody, I'm being stupid. It's not like me, is it? Events. Here we go. Let's just copy these. Screw it. YOLO, bro. Right, we're going for it. We're going for it. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna stick this in here. Put load image. And then we'll copy that. Load this one, and then we'll just go down and replace all these. In fact, it would be better if I just cleared it out like this. It's not some huge, great thing. Look, there we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. Fourth wall, we got this one. Pew, pa, pa, pa. This one. Pa, 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 pa. Whoop, there we go. Pew, pew, pew. Rip, rip, rip. There we go. And we'll get the stream elements. Oh, God. Stream elements. Stream elements, bro. There. Streamlabs. Copy image address. What else? We got Ko-fi. Ko-fi, Ko-fi, Ko-fi. Ko-fi, 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 Ko-fi. Patreon. No, I've not done that. Donor drive. Copy. What else we got? Tippy, baby. Tippy stream, bro. And uh-oh, where is the last one? What was the last one? No. Fourth wall. Fourth wall's not here. That's because, oh no. That's because it's not physically there yet. Oh no. Prepared for the podcast recording or play I'd say Valheim. Go Valheim. Screw it. Be right. Fourth wall logo. Thank you for liking the stream. Here we go. Bosh. Right, we should have a bit of something going through there now. Stop unliking the stream, man. Alert. Hand alert. Let's test these. We should have something. Donor drive. We're not. Don't test that, do we? Fourth wall. Ko-fi. Stream elements. Streamlabs. Tippy stream. Ayo! There it is, baby. Stop unliking! What? Why has Ko-fi done that? Oh, Ko-fi must be... That's annoying. So Ko-fi I need to do false on. Bro, what even is that? Same with Stream Elements. Ko-fi, Stream Elements are both false. And Streamlabs. Oh my god. False. Stream Elements, false. And Tippy Stream, false too. Streamlabs is false. Tippy Stream is also false. And we'll run through them tests again. Excel Draw has nearly 300 Pokemon. What? He's always in here just dropping the hacks, man. I'm telling you. Let's test them again and see what they look like. Thank you for liking the stream, beautiful people. Over on YouTube there. There we go. It doesn't look weird now. It's because it was cool. Test user has got all the dollar bills, right? It looks great. It looks great. Looks sweet. Thank you, dude. I've not really done much with it, but I will be putting some merch and stuff on there at some point. It's just not a priority at the moment. Did you get logged into my.streamup.tips all right? Did you get logged into my stream up all right? So, I absolutely smashed it. I just need to decide what to do for this. That's the only downfall at the minute. Got logged into both. Nice. And you saw all the downloads. It's very new, Short Stack. So, as in, it only got done, like, what, a week ago, something like that. So, yeah, any feedback is good. We just need as much info to make sure it's all working properly. That's pretty dang awesome. Glad you like it. Enjoy. You only get it for a month, but yeah. It means you get access to my Discord and all that as well. So it's, like I say, it's a pretty good deal when people start gifting those bad boys out. It's a pretty good deal. Right. I think I'm all coded out today. I think I'm done. I'm a YouTube streamer though, so I may not be able to use a whole lot. All the new ones I've made pretty much work with YouTube. So, alerts all should work with YouTube. All the alert packages, they're not released yet. Wasted, that can easily be set up for YouTube. You just change the trigger. Same with Polaroid picture. Twitch disconnect. I mean, you can use it on YouTube, but it'll look a bit weird. Call to actions, that is available for anything. It doesn't matter. It's what I have that comes up in the top left-hand corner that says, yo, go follow me. You have highlight message. They can work on YouTube as well. You just need to change the redeem there. The iOS notification, that works for YouTube. iOS notification classic works for YouTube. I've got loads to do. Need to take my stream and finish some stuffs. What? What? I know, but I've got a lot on. I keep skipping days. Oh, I've got a lot. You want some mummy time? You want some mummy time? What else works? Minimum first words, that works as well. The goal bar, I'm pretty sure I started doing stuff there for YouTube as well. Don't hold me to that though. The hype train obviously is not YouTube. Neither is Polar Prediction. Neither is Minim Raid Out. On-screen message, that's YouTube as well. Minim stream goals, I'm pretty sure I set up YouTube for that as well. There you go. YouTube seems to break with posting the webhook into Discord. Well, that's because that's the OG version. The new version won't do that. Because the new version shouldn't use anything to do with YouTube to send to Discord. Thanks for subscribing, Team Mode Too Good. No worries, Short Stack. Enjoy. Enjoy your month membership. And thank Bongo. Bongo's your boy. Why is TD DMing me? Oh, I like that TD. Nice one, TD. Speaking of TD, he's catching all the Pokemons. There's not much left to go at. I think all I wanted to do was add a concurrent viewers, but there's not an easy way to do that with YouTube, which sucks, man. Don't know what to do with that. It might just have to be a Twitch only feature. YouTube sucks. So that needs doing, and a lock as well to pause the queues. So I'm gonna write this down whilst I'm brainstorming it. DSI to do, bro. Do Control B. That's the wrong button, Andy. What did I say? So I forgot all them things that I just said. Everybody, what did I say? Use add view account. Twitch only question mark. Add widget lock. Reset queues. Haunter, did we get to the bottom of pulling concurrent viewers without having an API key? Or did we come to the conclusion that it wasn't possible? So widget lock, reset queues, and I think you need an API key. Yeah, sucks. But I thought you needed OAuth. You just need the simple key. That means Nate needs to add it, right? Nate needs to add it. You need to be like Nate's right-hand man for YouTube, because you seem to know the API very well. I think you could bring all the things we love and need to Streamer.Bot. Because I do like all this multi-streaming stuff, but I like making my widgets work for multiple platforms and whatnot, but it's annoying when you've got discrepancies between the two. It's all Twitch's fault. I mean, YouTube's fault. Right, reset queues. Was there any other widget that I wanted to add? Because I think the alert system should be enough anyway for the base, but I didn't want to do that. So view account, we've got the date. Can anyone think of any simple ones? I'm not adding stuff like weather. I'm thinking core information. So time, date. We've got alerts. We've got the welcome message. So that's 4. The view account, which will be 5. What do we think? add stroke animation option on alerts. Yeah, a simple one would be prompt like bongo directs user to buy bongo more Lego. Oh, yeah, I like that. Been working with Haunted to make a single core point system, and some of the YouTube stuff is because of their names. Yeah, it's really annoying, isn't it? Just like having one thing, it is annoying. It is. YouTube's just annoying. Is there like another widget that you could think? What did I used to have in it? Can anyone remember? In fact, I could probably open the old one. Oh, YouTube is letting people change their YouTube handles too. Oh wow. YouTube just do what they want. They're not bothered. They're just like, yo, yeah, I'm not bothered. Bye, Andy and chat. Love you all. Love you too. Love you too, baby. Love you too. Whoa, 32 likes on YouTube today. And some generous people in chat as well from memberships and stuff. Thank you, everybody, for being wicked. You guys are cool. Keeping me in a job. YouTube just do whatever they want, don't they? Oh, God. It's going to play welcome messages, isn't it? What did they have? They were extensions. So we've got the core system here, which were... So we had events locked uptime. Should we add uptime? Yeah, we'll add uptime as well then. We'll add uptime. Add current stream time. I think that's enough. They seem to no understand that things that we do using programs like Streamer.Bot are possible. They think, yeah, it's like they can't be bothered. You know what I mean? YouTube could blow it out of the park, but then, like, I don't know. Twitch have really been up in their game recently. I've been really proud of Twitch. Like, I think Twitch have been doing really good. Like, all their own alert systems that have allowed so much customization and stuff like that. Like, fair play to them. Do you know what I mean? They've done a real good job. A real good job. I think if I do all these, the widget is nearly ready for release. Well, early access. What do you think? Yeah, that's true. Hey, Mingle. How you doing? Thanks for liking the stream. Yeah. I can't think of anything else that I'd want to add. The only other thing that I think would be add the dark/light mode adjustments. Funny thing is, I started trying to make things on YouTube, so it's like ignorance is bliss. Yeah. Once you get used to how good Twitch's like API is and all the options that you've got there, it's yeah. Is that all I need to do? I mean, I say, is that all I need to do? There's 3 more widgets I need to do there. Like 3 more actual animations and working the amounts and stuff like that. Luckily, viewer count's going to be quite... Well, uptime and viewer count might be quite easy, actually. I've just thought I can make some crazy fucking widgets with this now. With this new setup that I've got and understanding of how groups are not broken. Like groups are not broken, guys. All these groups get resized. Like the alerts, for instance. Like, it's so good. It's quite hot. You've done some pretty awesome stuff with it, but it's like, yeah, exactly. YouTube can be just, can't it? Nah, I think that's just, how it is until they start actually taking it a bit serious. It's kind of always going to be like that, which is annoying. I won't mind, but there is some stuff in their API, but it's just so like backwards. Like, why can't you do anything with super stickers? Why can't you do you know what I mean? There's like, it's dumb. It's pretty dumb. Right, I think I've nearly done a 4-hour stream, guys, and that is a lot. So I think I should probably get jumped off now, and go and start getting some a little wind down. I was gonna go on the walk, but I'm too hungry to do anything. I skipped lunch again like an idiot because I came and streamed. So I blame you lot that I've not eaten lunch. So I hate you all. And I'm not gonna be live again. Probably I might be able to get a bonus streaming tomorrow, depending. Potentially, I don't know. It just depends how it goes. We'll just have to wait and see, won't we? Just wait and see. And hopefully it goes smooth. If not, we'll just have to start smashing it up. Yeah, I blame you, Bongo. You were distracting me. You were distracting me, bro. Stop it. Why, man? Why? Who should we raid? We got anybody on or what? Who should we raid? Who is this? Oh god. This person has got Streamer.Bot as a tag, but then I can see Streamlabs. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how I feel. I don't know how I feel. I'm a little bit unsure. Do it. They are using OBS though, so it's fine. Let's just go for it. No, but Stream Elements isn't Streamlabs. Do you know what I mean? Stream Elements isn't Streamlabs. There's a different. Let's just go raid this person. They're doing an uncapped subathon, so let's go. Let's go find out what that's all about. Joey, let's go and find out. Cool. Thank you everybody for being awesome. All the new followers.
I have her gift set up.
All the cheerers, Cricks. You were the only cheerer today. New sub from Raphael. We got Tomati coming back.
The Live Sway gift.
We got gifties, gift bombers. Oh my god, you're all going crazy. Yeah,
that's all I'm saying.
Why was that gift bomber? I don't know. It was a single gift.
All I'm saying
gift bomber
is high res Live Sway is
I guess
a good time.
Driven or something like that. I don't know what we're about to go into, but they look like they're doing a bit of stream tech.
That's
so
8K.
we're gonna have a look at it.
The VTuber is 8K.
I'll be still working on this in the evenings, the Dynamic Stream Island, but I'm pretty happy with where we've got it to today, working with all the alerts now. So all the alerts are in place, just need to work on some images,
I can't load that into my stream.
Stuff like that, but whatever. I might just let the people do what they want to do.
It's a 4,000 by 4,000 image.
What else have we got
I just double clicked it and it
Prim,
actually
I didn't know you
takes
raided,
like
actually.
a while to load.
I didn't see that was a raid, so that was my bad. I had no idea that you raided. So I'm an awful person. And I need to get binned off. That's exactly what I need to do. Bye. I love you all so much.
All right. Well,
do you love me?
When am I gonna? I'm trying to remember what my gym schedule is today.
Gym.
Rather expensive. Yeah, it's a lot of work. The thing that always blows my mind about how high detailed Liv's VTuber is